May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 42, Your Lordship. I have already taken consent from the petitioner, Your Lordship.
42.
Yes, Your Lordship. We have filed our affidavit. I am appearing for respondent number 2. Yesterday, we have filed it.
Okay. Respond number 2.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Who is respond number 2 here?
AEGCL, standing counsel.
Standing
Counsel AEGCL.
Okay. Then let it be after some time. If they want to file any reply, let them file.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes. Standing counsel AEGCL for the respondent number 2 has submitted that an affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respondent number 2 has been filed yesterday, and the said affidavit in opposition is not on record. First of, let the case be listed on so and so with the said.
Your Lordship. After 2 weeks, sir.
We'll
Yes.
give on so and so. With the affidavit in opposition of the respondent number 2, stated to have been filed yesterday, on record. If the petitioner wants to file any reply affidavit, space the same is to be filed in the meantime.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
2509, 25
May-
September.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I pray for listing of a writ petition for withdrawal on Monday.
Monday.
Obliged, lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7, Lordship. As per the direction of this honorable court, I have filed the additional affidavit, but the same is not tagged with the case record.
Okay. Mr.
D.K. Sharma.
D.K. Sharma, the counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that an additional affidavit has been filed on behalf of the petitioner yesterday, and the said additional affidavit is not on record. He has thus sought listing of the case on another date with the said additional affidavit on record. List the case on so. Next week continue.
2nd September,
Second.
0209.
Yeah, please, Your Honor. No, I beg to mention item number 64. I'm appearing for respondent number 1, 2, 3. I'm praying for a short accommodation to file the affidavit. I've taken the
34.
34.
Respondent number
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3.
I have
Who are
obtained the
they?
consent of the
Who are they? This
Assam Tea Employees Provident Fund Organization.
okay. Mr.
N. Patidi.
N. Patri. You are filing an affidavit.
Yes, my Lord. Lordship had directed us to file an affidavit on the last order.
Yes.
So we have we have obtained the documents.
Okay.
We'll be filing it by Monday, my Lord. So praying for
Okay.
some time.
Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent number 5 in this matter on behalf of Mr. A.K. Saiwala.
Who is for the petitioner? You are for the petitioner in all the cases.
34.
Okay, Miss A.B. N.B. Castro, learned counsel for the petitioner in 34. I am a petitioner, and Mr.
S. Sengupta on behalf of
S. Sengupta, learned counsel for the respondent 5 are present. First of Mr. N. Patiri, learned counsel for the your standing counsel.
I'm on behalf of the standing counsel, Mr. J. Bora.
Okay. On behalf of Mr. J. Bora, learned standing counsel, ATP,
ATEPFO.
ATPEFO.
ATEPFO.
ATEPFO. For the respondent number 1, 2, and 3, I have sought for and is granted 2 weeks time to file an additional affidavit in the additional affidavit in any order, specific to any order.
Well, order dated 14/7/26. 2026.
Reference to the order dated 14/7/2026. Full stop. It is submitted that consent has been taken from the learned counsel for the parties, other parties, to make the prayer. Full stop. What about this
Because these are connected matters.
35, 36?
35 to
Anybody
37.
present? You have informed?
I've informed. my Lord.
Okay.
Lordship, there is anything on the
List this writ petition along with 35, 36, 37.
My Lord, so I'm praying for
Data on so and so. The interim order, wherever passed earlier, shall continue till the next date of this.
Lordship, can
2509.
Thank you.
45, supplementary list. My lord, we have filed an affidavit in reply, and I'm praying for calling on record, my lord.
45.
45.
What is that? Okay, let it be on the next day, or next week,
My lord, will,
next Wednesday.
my lord.
Wednesday, खुला ना बंद हो? Next Wednesday. Mr. H. Gupta, Learned Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that, petitioners has submitted that an affidavit in reply has been filed yesterday.
My lord.
Yesterday. And the said affidavit in reply is not on record. Full stop. Okay. Anybody responded?
Responded 1 to 4.
Mr.
S.A. Bakhtiar.
S.A. Bakhtiar, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 1 to 4. Mr. J. Hendrik, Learned Junior Government Advocate Assam for the state respondents. Mr. A. Aforesaid, Learned Standing Counsel, Revenue Department for the respondent number 10. Are present. Full stop. List the case on next Wednesday with the
2nd September.
affidavit in reply, stated to have been filed on behalf of the petitioners, on record.
Matsu.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 17. Kindly pass over it for a day.
17.
17. 1 6.
Okay.
T pass over that.
Counsel preparing for the petitioner. The case is passed over for the day. Mr. A. Aforesaid, Standing Counsel Revenue Department, and Mr. N. Goswami, Line Junior Government, Assam for the state respondents who are present, have submitted that they have no objection to the prayer for adjournment. Next.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention regarding item number 15 and 27, my lord. 15 and 27. I want to withdraw this both petition, my lord, with liberty to file again, my lord.
Mr. S. 15, Mr. S. Rahman, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that he has instruction to withdraw the writ petition with the liberty to file affairs with liberty. Full stop. Mr. Tikidivo, A. Aforesaid Revenue, and Goswami, who are present, or J. Hendik, who are present, are present in view of the above submission made by Mr. Rahman, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. The writ petition is dismissed on withdrawal, with the liberty, as sought for. Next item, 15 and
27.
27, same.
All I submit.
May I please, your lordship, I'm praying for listing on writ petition for withdrawal on Monday, my lord.
I beg to mention item number 9, lordship. Kindly the matter will be adjourned only for the day.
Same method je kolu, pass over for the day.
Obliged, lordship. Please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 23 of the today's daily list, your lordship. Kindly the matter may be adjourned for the day, your lordship.
23,
Yes, your lordship.
motion.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay, Miss.
D. Chauhan.
Okay. Same revenue or government advocate present, 23. Pass over for the day.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship, I would like to mention item number 22. Maybe
22.
adjourned, yes. Maybe adjourned today
Okay.
and maybe
Miss?
some other day.
Miss. Your name, please.
Sheetal Das. Sheetal Das.
S. Das, Aru council likhi. You have informed the other side.
Yes, lordship.
Monday.
Daily list for motion, item 1.
Actually, I yet to receive the bank statement, my lordship. But before that, I want to show something, my lordship.
Ek number na?
Ek number.
Item 5.
Same docket for now. My lordship may see the first name, my lordship, and the dark numbers, my lordship.
Mariam Begum.
Yes. Was 374, 375, and 390, my lordship. I have total 6 number of duck where my land as well as agriculture, my house and agriculture fields are there. First duck is 383, 386, 387, my lordship, which is mentioned at page 13, annexed 2, my lordship. Page 13, annexed 2, this is a type copy. Kindly see 383, Mariam Begum, 383, 384, 386. Now, my lordship, in this duck, my lordship, in this duck, my house is situated, my lordship. It is not a agricultural land. Now, my lordship may kindly come to my IA, my lordship, 4128.
4123. Yes.
4123. 8. 28, 4128.
Yes.
Kindly come to page 13, my lordship, in that also.
Yes.
There is 61, 62 like box is written, my lordship. Lordship has seen left hand side corner.
61.
61, 67, come to 67, my lordship.
Yes. 67.
Duck number 374.
Yes.
Then come to last part, Mariam Begum.
Yes.
Then come to 71, my lordship. Duck
Yes.
number 375. That is Mariam Begum. We have total 6 numbers of duck. They have given money for the agricultural land, but not for the house which they have taken, my lordship. Come to paragraph 3 also, page 6, my lordship, of same IA, my lordship.
Paragraph.
Paragraph 3, page 6. .390 is also my duck. Here it is not written. 390 is also there.
You want to say 6 ducks
6 ducks
have
are
been
there.
acquired?
6 ducks have been acquired. What I want to say, 383, 386 and 387, where my house is situated, my lordship. That is also acquired, but
No.
they are shown as agricultural land. My lordship, this is their notification, my lordship.
No, no. Firstly, tell me how many ducks are shown acquired in the notification?
Total 6. In 2 different
6.
notification, total 6.
Where is the notification pertaining to this 383, 384, 386?
At page 13. Page 13, main petition, my lordship, main writ petition.
Page 13 is one.
Second 14, page 14 is also there.
This is district commissioner.
Notification is page 11, my lordship, sorry. Annexure 1, main petition.
Page 11.
Yes. Annexure 1, main petition.
Annexure 1. Where it is reflected, these dark numbers.
That line is not there, my lordship. Page 12.
Page 12, where it is mentioned.
It is mentioned in page 13.
No,
madam.
just a minute. This is a notification under 3A. Right. And you have shown us another notification. Right. Let me see now. Whereas by the notification. Come to page 12
Page 12.
of the IA.
Yes, my lordship.
First line. Read the first paragraph of page 12 of the main writ petition.
Whatever notification of the government of India, Ministry of
In exercise, what is the date? Please, page 12 of the writ petition.
page 12.
5th of January.
5th of January and notification number SO61E.
As per
Please,
yes,
have patience.
sorry, my lordship. Yes, my lordship.
Page 12, 5th January 2023. Notification number SOE 61E, right?
Yes, my lordship.
This is 3A notification.
Yes, my lordship.
3A, right? Now come to page 12 of the IA.
Yes.
Right. This is 11 July 2023. Right.
Yes.
Whereas by the notification of the Government of India in the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, SO61E dated 5/1/2023. Right.
Yes.
3A notification, they say. Then second para. Substance of the notification was published in Assam Tribune, Doinik Jugo Sankho on 10/1/2023 as per subsection 3 of section 3A. Then third para. Whereas the objections have been received and the same have been considered and disallowed by the competent authority. Right. Next. Whereas in pursuance of subsection 1 of section 3D, the competent authority has submitted its report to the central government. Right?
Yes.
Next. Now, therefore, upon receipt of the said report of the competent authority and in exercise of the powers conferred by subsection 1 of section 3D of the said act, the central government hereby declares that the land specified in the said schedule should be acquired for the aforesaid purpose. Next, further in pursuance of subsection 2 of section 3D of the said act, the central government hereby declares that on publication of this notification in the official gazette, the land specified in the said schedule shall vest absolutely in the central government free from all encumbrances, right? And there it is mentioned 374 and 375. So maybe some discrepancy, but this notification of 11 July is in continuation of this 5th July.
As per my
5th January, right? Now, you are not giving the full copy of the 5th January notification. We don't know, but this document, page 13 of the writ
page
petition.
13 writ petition.
Oh, right.
Hmm.
It is, these dark numbers are not telling with the notification dated 11 July 2023, right? In the sanction order, dark numbers are 383, 384, and 386. Right?
My lord.
Right.
Yes.
Page 13 of the writ
Yes,
petition.
yes, my lord.
Now you are saying how many ducts are required?
Total all the 6 ducts, 383, 384, 386, 373, 374, 375, 390.
390, where it is found mentioned.
It's mentioned in that I have given today the one notification, my lordship. First name.
Then we have to issue notice.
Yes, my lord, that will be better.
So many discrepancies. Part Mr.
I
TK.
have not received that notice.
Huh?
What he has produced to the lordship, that is not charged to the lordship.
I will file a affidavit if required.
Hard, and you, whatever you have stated in the IA, bring it on by an additional affidavit.
Okay, my lordship.
Third, Mr. T.K. Day, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. A. Borua, learned counsel on behalf of Mr. C. Borua, learned standing counsel, NHAI and NHIDCL for the respondent number 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Mr. A. Aforesaid, learned standing counsel, Revenue Department for the respondent number 2. And Mr. N. Goswami, learned junior government advocate
8 and 9.
for the respondent number 8, 9, and 10. Post para. It is the is it the case of the petitioner set up in the writ petition that you are all the owners of all the direct numbers?
Writ petition it is not given, my lordship.
So how can we address
But it
new
is-
issue? Because they have to answer para-wise.
Yes, lordship.
I will then file.
Amendment.
How can amendments and all file them? Otherwise, these things are not brought on record.
Yes, my lordship.
Now, that has created confusion, and that for that reason, it is pending since 2025 without issuing notice. First, you presented a case that this money was not paid, right? So we are concerned with that. Now you have been coming up with another few other grounds, which is not pleaded. Because see, your first concern on 3/12/2025 was that I did not get 36,77,866,
Yes,
right?
yes. my
So concerned with that, we asked them to do it speedily. Now they have got the instruction about 36,77,866. Now you have set up another case where there is no pleading. How can they answer? It will take about 5 years.
No.
With this pleading, this was filed for implement of the Kala. Is it not?
Yes.
This is disposed of. Now you are taking me to here and there. Is it possible?
No.
Now you have, this is disposed of already. This is not part of the record. Now, there is no pleading about this DAG number 374, 375, 390 here. If you don't bring all these in the main writ petition, if you file amendment after amendment, what is your prayer? Let us see. Will it not be difficult for the court? It is simple, nothing. Zirat shown against the name of the petitioner shall not be paid. Right. And you presented this only. 36,000, 77,866. That is your case setup.
Yes.
Is it not?
Yes, ma'am.
So how can we broaden the scope now? Unless to file a fresh retribution giving all the details, otherwise very difficult.
This time I will bring through all the things. Actually,
No, this I then a file amendment petition, writ petition, it will go like this.
okay, fine.
File amending petition, then amended writ petition. It will go like this. If you have another case, here it is simple. You cannot change the nature and character of that.
Okay, madam, I will like to withdraw it.
This is whether you have got this 36,000 or not.
36 lakhs.
Can it,
36 lakh.
my lordship,
Because the scope was this only today. Now we have broadened the scope without any pleading.
yes, ma'am.
Is there any pleading? Is there any document that you have DAG number 374, 375, 390? There is nothing. What can we decide all this?
Okay, madam.
This is not a EMI. You get it every month, something more. Oh, this, please take this. Take this. You know, take a call. Otherwise, if you have, whether account number is correct or not.
Can it be on 3rd of September, my lordship? I will call.
If account number is wrong, and because of that, IFSC is okay.
Account number is correct as per how far I know.
Something is not correct. 698. 995 is okay. 196 is missing. Your SDFC bank or what? SDFC.
Number 2
IFSC is okay. Account number. So first you get this thing, then you tell all the facts in one writ petition. First you ascertain whether you have received 36 lakh.
Okay, madam.
If you have received, I think you should withdraw this writ petition, saying that I have received 36 lakh, but I am yet to receive more because of these dark numbers. Then they can respond pair-wise. It will be difficult for the court
Yes, ma'am.
without pleading anything to decide.
Yes, ma'am. I will do it.
Okay. Ms. Rico, Mr. Day has such time till Wednesday to obtain instruction whether the amount of rupees 36,77,866 has been credited to the bank account, of the petitioner, as mentioned by the respondent number 10. You said, no? Mr. Goswami, some statement you said. Where is it, your instruction,
My lordship,
Mr. Goswami?
Yes.
Let us see whether I correctly mentioned the account number or not.
196 is there, Lord.
Is it there? Okay, okay, okay. আমি ভুল করছি।
my lordship,
Oh, 196.
my lordship, I see, maybe I'm wrong. Para 2 of they've given that thing. 2 more.
করছে। In the লিখো আবার। In the bank account number 50,108,995,196 with IFSC HDFC 009324. Please the case concerns. Find out first this is there, then stating this, then you say that these are the other dark numbers which are acquired. Or there is some discrepancy in the 3A notification and 3D notification. Whatever is the correct fact, you tell. But this, both the notification are in continuation.
Yes.
They might have made the mistake that in the 3A, some other DUG numbers are there. Now in the 3D, some other DUG numbers. So they can examine thereafter. If you're
0209.
entitled to receive more, definitely you'll receive more.
Only thing is that, my lord, what they have said.
But clear the confusion.
Okay, my lordship.
Don't make submission without pleading.
Okay, that is implicit petition law. So that is also this also.
Item 2.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
This company is filed for non-compliance of the order dated 18/2/2026, passed in WPC number 1068 of 2017. Your Honor, find the order in page Annexure 1, page number 11.
This is the direction. The peculiar facts and circumstances of the case. Opinion that orders regarding interest are not called for. The response number 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5 shall complete the assessment of the compensation to be paid to the petitioner. This support of petitioner, this contempt petition is filed alleging non-compliance of the directions made in a judgment and order dated 18/2/2026, passed in a writ petition, WPC number 1068/2017. Post of it is averred that the copy of the judgment and order dated 18/2/2026 was duly brought to the notice of the respondent. Also, issue notice returnable on so and so. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent by speed post within 2 working days from today.
5th October, 05/10/26. Item 3.
Not recorded. When did you file?
Not brought on record. We have brought on record this.
When did you file?
One affidavit, Your Lordship, I have received date is 28/7.
28/7,
28/7. Yes.
July.
Yes.
The voter, this is copy of the NRC,
Not there.
NRC copies, Your Lordship.
Mr. J. Khalid, learned counsel for the petitioner, submitted that an additional affidavit on behalf of the petitioner has already been filed long back.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Long back.
Yes.
Then why since on the
There are
previous
some
date?
defects in the affidavit. They were
I-
But Mr. Ali did not say that on 27 July
28 July.
or has been filed on 28/7. 28/7/2026.
Which was rectified.
But the said affidavit, additional affidavit is not on record. Baki likhi dibo, Nambur and Goswami niki, and Goswami. Number ase, and Bordoloi likhibo, revenue. Any education council, education, Miss? And score. Health. Water resource. For bleaching. This is on 7/9/2026 with the additional affidavit, stated to have been filed by the petitioners, on record. Night to execute the sunny night to. Huh? Seven, 9.
Notice may be issued. Notice may be.
Of leisure.
No, this is deferred only because
Oh, yes.
I cannot defy the other orders.
Item 4.
My lord, what is the matter about?
Matter relating to.
Oh, some rectification.
Rectification.
My lord, as per the instructions, lordships, it is not available in the, my lord, ITBA portal, and therefore matter was referred to the technical team of the department, my lord. It was looking, search for As of date, my lord, it was not resolved, my lord. My instructions, lordship.
Resolve whether we want to know whether rectification application you have received or not.
That was received, my lord.
It was received.
That was acknowledged, but it was somehow in the ITBA portal, it is not reflected. So
You
they-
resolve that, pass
so
and
it-
consider and
Lordship, this process is going on, my lord. So that is my instruction. My lord.
In that case, my lord, if my lord, your lordship direct, I will file hard copy, my lord. They are not.
reference to your mail.
Sometimes, my lord, people technical links, my lord.
E-filing portal of ITBA, what is that?
My lord, that is income tax business application portal.
Okay.
So all correspondences first that will be uploaded in the ITBA portal, my lord. So we may also serve the hard copies, my lord, before them, my lord.
Respondent number 5.
So it was not available on record. That's why it could not be disposed of.
What is section 154? Income tax act.
Rectification of mistake.
Both of you please say whether this kind of rectification application is maintainable. Maintainable, Mr. Chetia.
Lordship, since he has filed his application, so the lordship authority has to pass an order.
No, subsection 1
My lord.
of section 154 is so moto
My lord.
power. Subsection 2 says, subject to the other provisions of this section, the authority concerned. Again, A is their own motion.
My
B shall make such amendment for rectifying any such mistake which has been brought to its notice by the assessee. Right?
Lordship.
So that may include him.
My lord.
If it is maintainable and the proceeding is pending, then why should we exercise a parallel jurisdiction? You pass an order by which subsection that order is required to be passed
My lord.
without prejudice.
Let him file this application, my lord, physically, my lord, before the respondent number 4. He will pass
When
the
an
approval.
amendment is made under this section, an order shall be passed in writing by the income tax authority concerned. enhancing, reducing a refund or otherwise, increasing the liability shall not be made under this section unless the authority has been notified. So, whether with the rectification, receipt of the rectification petition is acknowledged, then you can consider and dispose of application on merits.
Lordship. That can be done.
Huh?
Till then, my lord, no coercive measure. Till it takes this.
However, my lord, lordship may not observe anything on merit of the case. Let it be by the, my lord, the authority.
Because what is the case?
My lord.
His case was, my lord, he was exempted, my lord. And by mistake, my lord, it was, my lord.
Audit report was not submitted.
Is there any acknowledgement?
Yes, my lord. Page 73, your lord.
So this is your generation number.
Lordship.
So-
That is admitted, Lordship.
That is an admitted situation.
My lord.
So you dispose it upon merit, whether
Lord.
first maintainable, then thereafter,
Lordship.
whether this audit report can be taken into account
Certainly.
for the purpose of granting him benefit,
Right.
and whether this demand notices can be dropped, right? Whatever
Right.
decision you take, the notices already issued will abide by the decision taken in the,
Lordship.
because while disposing of, I cannot extend interim order.
My lord.
He heard Mr. A. Goel, learned counsel for the petitioner. You were there, Miss B. Bora, learned central government counsel for the respondent number 1. And Mr. H. Chetia, learned standing counsel, senior
Senior standing counsel.
income tax department for the respondent number
227.
227. Post of para. It's from the petitioner that it is a registered charitable trust stroke institution engaged in charitable activities. And its activities include running of a eye hospital and eye hospital in the name of Lion A.K. Sohoria Eye Hospital to provide free eye checkups and cataract treatment for the underprivileged in and around Dibrugarh, Assam. Where does it? K.K. Sohoria Eye Hospital, Dibrugarh, Dibrugarh. First one. It is stated that the petitioner trust is registered under section 12 capital A stroke 12 double A capital and section 80 capital G of the Income Tax Act, 1961 as amended. First of para. The petitioner has stated that where from first one.
Para 2 on what's my lord?
There are 4 and 5 there stated.
First notice or what?
Stated despite the petitioner having para 4, my lord.
Exercise page 15. 50. Is there?
25/3/2019.
Okay.
Top, my lord. Assessment year, original, thereafter date of order.
The petitioner was served an intimation under Section 143 within bracket 1 of the Income IT Act on 25/3/2019. For the assessment year 2017-2018. It's allowing the exemption claimed by it under Section 11 of the IT Act. Had raised a demand of rupees 56,27,614 solely on the ground that the audit report in Form 10B was not filed along with the ITR income tax return by the petitioner. For the financial year 2016-17.
SSMT year 17-18, financial 16.
So same demand has been reiterated in subsequent notices. 65 and 69. Which were computer-generated demand and recovery communications dated 22/01/2020, 26/8/2020, 30/8/2020, and 22/11/2020. Whereby the petitioner is being called upon to make payment of the outstanding demand. Poster. Its petitioner has stated that in one at one point of time, the demand was reduced to rupees 54 lakh,
My lord,
65,490. Right?
page 69. And in page 69, my lord, they also given us liberty to file rectification petition.
Page 69.
69. Demand is 54 lakhs.
Serial number 1 for
17 and
by
serial para 2, my lord, in there you are requested to or file rectification if the demand may be reduced through such rectification.
In one of its communication dated 22/11/2024, the respondent authorities, while making demand of outstanding demand, while while directing the petitioner to pay the outstanding demand, had directed either to pay the outstanding demand or to file a rectification if the demand or to file a rectification application. It is a case of the petitioner that there was no reason for the petitioner not to attach the requisite audit report in Form 10B. The omission, if any, appears to be on the account of technical glitches on the income tax portal, post of. It is stated that having made inquiry, the petitioner was informed that the income tax department could not find attachment of the audit report in Form 10B along with the return e-filed by the petitioner for the assessment year 2017-2018. Post of. The petitioner, having learned about the same count, the petitioner furnished the audit report physically to the income tax authorities. Notwithstanding that those were already available with the department. The same was already submitted to the department. It is contended that despite submission of the audit report, the responding authorities have been issuing the demand notices without considering the audit report. Post of paragraph. Faced with such situation, the petitioner, where is your rectification
Page
application?
71, my lord.
Submitted a rectification application under section 154 of the Act against the order passed under section 143 within bracket 1 for the assessment year 2017-2018. And the respondent authorities had acknowledged the receipt of the rectification application on 23/8/2025 by generating rectification acknowledgement number, page 73. The petitioner, of course, is called. On it, the petitioner was listed on 2026. Senior Standing Counsel Income Tax Department was asked to obtain instruction as regards the status of the rectification application filed by the petitioner, receipt of which was duly acknowledged on 23/8/2025. Post of. Today, Mr. Chetial and Senior Standing Counsel Income Tax Department has submitted on the basis of instructions he has received, that though the receipt of the rectification application on 23/8/2025 is an admitted position. But on verification of the records, it is learned that the rectification application was submitted in the e-filing portal of ITBA, Income Tax Business Application, within bracket ITBA. Also, due to some technical problems, the rectification application is not reflected in the ITBA yet. First of, he has submitted that corrective measures are under process. Post of para. Section 154 of the Income Tax Act has provided for rectification of mistake. Post of. As per subsection B of subsection 2 of section 154, the authority concerned can make such amendment for rectifying any such mistake which has been brought to its notice by the SSC. As per subsection 4 of section 154, comma, if an amendment is to be made, then an order will be passed in writing by the income tax authority concerned. Madam, Mr. Goel and counsel appearing for the petition has submitted that. I'm Mr. Chetty and Senior Standing Counsel for the Income Tax Department. I have submitted that since the rectification application, which acknowledgement number, page 73, is stated to be pending, is admittedly pending for consideration. This repetition can be disposed of with an observation that the rectification application, the concerned authority, the company authority shall take the said rectification application on board for consideration, and thereafter to pass an order as for the provisions of section 154 within bracket 4 on accordance with law on its own merit. At this stage, Mr. Chetial, a senior standing counsel in Income Tax Department, has submitted that to facilitate such consideration, the petitioner may be directed to file a physical copy. Physical or what?
Hard copy or
A hard copy. A hard copy of the audit report for the concerned assessment for the assessment year 2017-2018 within a period of 15 days before the number
5.
4 and 5, madam.
4 and 5.
post up. In view of post up, Mr. Goel, in response, Mr. Goel, Land Council appearing for the petition has submitted. The petitioner will submit a hard copy of the audit report for the assessment year 2017-2018 within a period of 15 days to the respondent number before the respondent number 5 within a period of 15 days.
4 and 5.
4 and 5. 4 and 5. Full stop. But this court in the above facts and circumstances. The rectification application with rectification acknowledgement number 73 filed on 23/8/2025 is yet to be disposed of. The state petition is disposed of with a petition with the following directions. 1. The petitioner shall file a hard copy of the audit report under section 10B or
10B. 10B.
10B of the
Let him also furnish them about rectification petition itself, that was allowed.
Along with rectification.
copy, a hard copy of the audit report for the assessment year 2017. Audit report in form 10B. 10B.
10B.
Which was already submitted. once. Already submitted once. Already. Which was already submitted once, comma, 10B for assessment year 2017-2018, comma, which was already submitted once, earlier, comma, along with a hard copy of the rectification application dated 2020 within before the respondent number 4 and 5 within a period of 15 days from today. First of, 2 on receipt, the respondent number 4 and 5. On such submission, the respondent number 4 and 5 shall duly acknowledge the receipt of the audit report in Form B, 10B for the assessment year so and so, and the rectification application. 3, the competent authority who will decide?
Lord, the respondent number 4 and 5.
4 and
The competent authority shall take, after such submission and acknowledgement, the competent authority shall take the rectification application of the which rectification and acknowledgement number so and so on board, and thereafter consider and dispose of the same as by an order, comma, as required by section 154 of the IT Act, comma, in accordance with law and on its own merits. The order to be passed is to be communicated to the petitioner. In the prescribed mode.
Until then, my lord, they may not.
Full stop. Next, the demand, the demand made by the respondent income tax department authorities under section 143, under section 143.
143.
143.
143 within bracket 1.
1. For the first one, on and from 25/3/2019 shall abide by the decision to be passed in the rectification application under section 154 IT Act.
My lord. In second matter, my lord, assessment year is 1819.
1819.
1819, and in place of audit report, my lord, they are saying that the registration certificate, we have not attached that.
Registration certificate.
Page that I have next, my lord.
Firstly, the generation number.
Number, my lord.
Page 74. A rectification acknowledgement number 2.
72, 72.
And first notice date
My
under 143.
My lord.
Page 51.
Page 51,
26/9/2019.
My
Assessment year 2018-19. And what are the document? Registration?
Exemption certificate. Exemption certificate.
Where is it?
page
Show me.
37, my lord.
37. I'm going by your words.
My lord.
I am not looking at the material. Thirty-seven is what?
Order passed under second.
No, what they need now?
this certificate I have given, they are saying this certificate was not there along with in return. my lord.
Okay. Audit report or tag likhok. What does it call?
My lord, 12 is certificate. my lord.
Exemption certificate.
Exemption certificate.
Registration certificate or what?
My lord, they registered it, my lord. For
The
that.
order under section 12AA
Lordship.
of the IT Act.
Lordship.
This is the one only. Page 37. Order under a copy of the audit report as inform so and so. A copy of the order and passed under section 12AA of the income tax. That was not submitted.
Not submitted. In fact, it was issued by them only. Them. my lord. And amount will be, my lord,
Demand 57.
57 lakh 99,996.
Where is that?
Page 54, bottom, my lord.
Same amount or different?
Different, my lord.
Okay, page 55, 57 lakh 99,996. This order disposes of the repeat.
DPO.
Obliged.
Miss Borua, second root.
DPO.
6.
May I please, Your Worship? As per last order, my instruction is sought for my. My cousin occupied a plot of land. I filed eviction suit. During the pendency of the eviction suit, a compromise was made, and therefore the compromise degree was passed because my cousin built a dwelling house at that plot. In exchange,
No, you want delivery of that service?
that is. As per,
That is what.
I have received some parallel comments, Lordship, but the second officer not Lakshmipur informed that he has recently joined Lordship. Otherwise, there is no record why it is delayed, Lordship. And his some plot of land has been acquired by the medical college, Lordship.
that we have stated, my lord. 4 lessons.
4
of that.
lessons of
In a nutshell, I am appraising the facts, So, during this pendency of this shoot, my cousin.
No, what should this is you are Babul Soikia.
yes.
Now, what he and his mother, brother, sister, owner of the Patra, 1 bigha, 1 katha. Where it is not Lakhimpur. Not Lakhimpur.
Yes,
Not Lakhimpur, my lord. Out of that, my lord,
Whereas illegally occupied 1 katha,
6 lessons.
6 letter. Therefore, petition along with the mother filed a civil suit. Right, that is so and so eviction, task position.
My lord.
Then what happened? Pendency was said
During pendency of this, my lord,
compromised.
compromise, since he
And a joint petition.
agreed to exchange another plot of land to me.
To
And
hand over another plot of land in exchange,
my lord,
said so. Accordingly, civil judge decreed the suit on compromise to register their respective name in exchange land.
my lord, correction, both.
Okay. Then on so and so, the same land was handed over to the petitioner. Title execution case. Took possession. Peacefully enjoying. Possession certificate is also issued. So then you file mutation for this
Mutation.
exchange plot. of land,
Exchange plot of land. Yes. That was not been
as
done.
per the order of the civil judge.
My lord.
Then he asked for no objection affidavit.
Yes, from my another colleague, cousin, my lord, in the mention in the
Uh-huh.
he given. So everything is procedure is complete, my lord.
That is also given.
My lord. Surprisingly, last order, if your lordship kindly see.
So your name is not correct.
Corrected. Page 4610, Annexer 10. ADC issued a letter asking the circle officer as to why it has not been taken place, madam. Asking a report within 7 days. But that has also been carried out.
But you also, after for 2022, you are also sitting.
Madam,
You will issue notice then.
That is correct.
May I submit nothing, Lordship? He will file fresh, Lordship, if he can file. Then, Lordship, some direction to be given to the circular officer, Lordship, he can proceed.
He should have, he is saying, I don't have document. How can, without verifying, you get the instruction at least in writing that it is misplaced or something?
Some
Yeah.
instruction I have received.
Huh? Let us have it. Otherwise, without anything, I really, he is putting the blame to predecessor now. If he sits in the office, he has to,
Yes,
he is
yes,
accountable.
Lordship.
What is acquired? Which one? Which one?
Para 6 of the instruction.
Which one is acquired by? Your exchange lane?
Yeah,
or-
access line. From that,
That now
from the
where
exchange.
you are seeking your,
seeking the correction from the access line, that I have already mentioned, ma'am. Now, yes.
no, it is already acquired.
Acquired. One
Oh.
katha, 2 lesser now required for
Huh?
correction. 1 katha, 2
Now,
lesser.
how many you got in exchange?
1 katha, 6 lesser.
From there, how many, what area has been acquired?
4 less.
4 less.
4 less.
4 less.
Para 6 of that instruction. It is correct. So we have already stated in my petition. So 1 katha, 2 lesser will also do my lord correction in the records of right.
Because you cannot miss the track, perhaps, Mr. Goswami. Where is your application?
My lord.
Page 42.
Yes.
You cannot say so.
Yes, Lord.
Missing and all this plea is not available to you. It
My-
is in a portal.
Yes. Lordship.
You acknowledge,
Yes.
get the acknowledge from him that this application is yet to be disposed of. Then I can give a direction to dispose of this application.
Lordship.
Page 42.
Yes.
You can't deny this.
Yes.
Now this appeal period has gone, all this has gone.
Yes.
Now we'll exercise 226 power. Otherwise, he is also liable for penalty under the RTPS Act.
Lordship.
Is it not?
Yes.
25,000. Yes, madam. If he does not deliver,
Yes.
25,000 is to be paid. Just get the instruction regarding this number. Then we'll take care.
Lordship.
We can pass the direction thereafter. Because they are also sitting tight. They have a right to appeal.
Yes.
Page 42 itself. If this thing is not provided, they have to file an appeal. And you are invoking jurisdiction after 4 years. Heard Mr. A.K. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Ms. Ann Bodoloy, standing counsel Revenue 1, and Goswami
234.
234. First of Mr. Goswami has submitted that the instructions provided by the respondent number
Circular officer.
4 to him are not sufficient to address the issue raised by the petitioner in this petition. First of, he has sought for further 1 week time to obtain the necessary instruction. First of para. Mr. Goswami shall obtain instruction as regards the status of the application filed by the petitioner for mutation, for the notified public service, comma, mutation after deed registration, unquote, which was acknowledged on 2023, right acknowledgement number, page 42. Then we'll dispose of. Status. It was a click of a button. Please the keys on.
Thank you.
Item 8.
I need to take instruction, my lord, on my representation.
On what, on the representation. Yes. Firstly, you challenge his authority.
No, we have not challenged the authority per se.
He is highway administrator.
That's what it appears, because I have filed a representation, my lord, to him, to the district commissioner also, both. I have not received any reply. My lords.
Yes, it is a matter of building. Status of the application. Who is to respond? Oh, you are sitting tight. I have to look. You have to say.
Mr. B. Chaudhary appeared, my lord, in the last.
He is not available now.
Maybe pass over for some time.
No.
Item 10.
It's a lush. My senior is on legs in court number 18. Kindly pass over the matter for the time being.
Item 11.
Petitioner in person. A known person, he is absent. A known person to all of us. Timing. You go through it.
Item 12.
কোনটো মনত আহিলে?
What acquisition process? What is the acquisition process?
My lord,
Land acquisition?
yes, this is land, but since the
Go
land is,
one by one.
Yeah.
What is the first one? You said,
this is regarding DAG number 417.
huh?
417.
417.
Yeah.
Yes.
So in that DAG has been acquired for the NH
What
project.
the circle officer clarified?
The circle officer has clarified that the land is
Which
in my
one?
possession.
Where? Page 23. Oh, this is 430.
Yes.
So, Government Act number 417.
Yes.
It was acquired
Yes.
for National Highway.
Yes.
Number 17. So, only Zirat compensation. It was assessed.
Yes.
It was assessed.
Yeah, it was assessed.
What is the amount?
The
Assessed
amount is, it is page number 29.
29.
Yeah, 4,99,272.
29.
Yes. Page 28 and 29.
28 and 29.
28 is the type, yeah,
Yes.
translated copy.
This is notice under section 3E by the competent authority, Kala. That was in 13/10/2023. Right?
Yes.
So
That amount has been credited to somebody else.
this is Safed Ali.
Yes.
Did you make any objection?
No, yes, we have raised the objection
When?
that it has been given to somebody else, and the circle
When?
officer has already clarified.
When?
It was that time itself, soon after the compensation was credited. It was in.
Page 14. Page 14. Who issued the notice? You have made it to circle officer.
Yes.
How does it matter?
No, because when we have given they have given us a notice that if there is any objection, so we have raised the objection prior to that.
No, this notice was page 14.
The notice itself.
Notice was from Authorised Zilla Ayukta.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
And competent authority
Hmm.
for land acquisition.
Yes.
He issued the notice,
Yes.
13/10/2010.
Hmm.
You made the objection before circle officer.
No, we have given to the district commissioner also. It is in page 44.
That is also immaterial. Have you given this any to the competent authority?
It was necessarily instructed. The DC has given the district commissioner has forwarded the matter to the ADC.
Where is that? And what is the date?
And we have given one in page
No,
46
come
also.
one by one, page 40. When did you give it? What have you written on? When did you give it?
That it was given in 19/6/2024 to the district.
1 year.
19/6/2024.
2024.
Yes.
So that is after more than 8 months.
Yeah.
Of the 3E notice,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
So by that time, money has gone out.
Yes.
So, what do we have to do in this case?
No, we have acknowledged that
No. What is the power of this read code in such a situation?
No, it was given prior to that also. We have said that notice itself was not, it was supposed to be given to us, that the notice was issued to somebody else.
When? Did you also receive notice? You were Sajia Bibi.
Yes.
Then who is Safia? Your husband name is what?
No, it's Ashraf.
Huh?
Ashraf Ali. Ashraf Ali.
Ashraf Ali.
Yes.
What is page 31 then?
Please.
31.
Just Sazia Begum, wife of Ashraf Ali.
And what is page 33?
Ashraf Ali, son of Guru.
What are these notices? See,
Because the acquisition branch has issued the notice in that way already. Ashraf Ali.
You took us to what, Safed Ali or something?
Yes, that's
Where
Safed.
is it? Safed Ali. That
Safed
is
Ali.
page 29.
It is in page 29. It
Page
has been
29.
clarified. It has been clarified by the circle officer.
Just a minute. Let us understand page 29. This is Safed Ali.
Yes.
The Zirat was assessed at 4,99,270
Yes, Your Honor.
for dark number
417. Yes.
And who is this lady? Page 31.
Page 31, Sazia Begum.
Who is this lady?
I am the petitioner. Sazia.
You are?
Yes.
And amount was assessed
499,272.
14 lakh.
Hmm.
14 lakh.
14 lakh.
14 lakh.
That has been paid. It was in two different categories. They have assessed twice.
How much area dark number 17 has?
That
Have you
one,
disclosed?
No, it is not disclosed.
Huh?
That area. has
A
not-
government Dag number might have 100 bighas also, 500 bighas also.
Mm.
How much?
That area is not known. How they have assessed means they have given the for the structures. Earlier, I have received
Then
this.
who is this Ashraf Ali?
Ashraf Ali is the son of Bulu Ali, my husband.
So he is also getting 92,000. Right?
Yes.
And orders, if we go by page 29,
Hmm.
Pradhanor Chronic number 41.
Right.
31, page 31. Pradhanor Chronic number 42.
Yes.
33. Pradhanor Comic number 43. So there will be many 50, 60 persons could be
Hmm.
under Dag number 417.
Yes. But
Now, these are all disputed questions of fact.
no, my lord, the question is that for this page serial number 43, page number 32. Page
Now,
number 32.
say page 39. That is after you made a complaint.
Hmm.
Right?
Yes.
What he is doing, Madam, Mr. Talukdar? What he is doing, Sokro Bikhoya? Is he authorized person?
8/9/2020. These are all.
When did you ask for withholding the compensation? In 2024.
Yes.
By that time, much water has flown.
No,
Now,
because
what is this? What they are saying?
they have already assessed, they have reevaluate also. Reevaluate, and I can say for.
No. First, you are. What is your case? The Safed Ali has got it wrongfully.
Yes.
That is your case.
Yes.
This 4,99,000.
Yes. Your Honor.
And you came belatedly, making complaint before the authority after 8 months.
Yes.
By that
No.
time, money had gone.
No, prior to that also we have said, but
No,
this,
where have you said?
that we have said verbally, we have approached.
Oh,
the-
verbally
they said-
will
no,
not
that
acknowledge.
time, by that
That is a
time.
matter of evidence to be laid before a trial court
Yes.
somewhere, not in writ petition.
No, when it is assessed here, when we have given the submission, they have called the people, the hearing was.
When money was gone out.
Yeah.
When?
That date is not yet given to us, exactly when it was credited. We
But
have-
credited.
Yes, it has been credited.
After credit.
Yes. When we came to know, when it
Yes.
came to our
Now
knowledge. that it
tell
has
me
been credited.
how this writ petition is to be decided.
Because the authority is denying that already it has been given, because that person is not in the position. The quantity, that quantum of
Oh,
money
we'll
has been
not
assessed.
decide that, how this is to be decided. This writ petition. What is in your mind?
Because this is a crystallized payment that
That
already it has been.
crystallized payment is not a crystallized payment.
So the authority is not taking the proper.
Now,
step
how?
to-
If the Safed Ali has already got the money.
Yeah.
So
He-
what to do by this
He has
court?
admitted, admitted.
No,
that he
what
has
to
not
do by this court?
And the court may direct the authority to credit the amount to my,
Oh.
to me, because since I am in the position, it has been proved, it has been assessed. But the authority has confirmed that it is in my position. To whom the money was credited, he doesn't have any position in the proper
Well,
417.
simply you should notice, this is not a case of money, money suit for us. We don't know, we have grave doubt about our jurisdiction. Government Dag number encroachers claiming
Only the
Zirat compensation.
It appears from here, my lord. Possibly her husband's brother name is also Safed Ali. And there is another Safed Ali in the same village.
No, question is that this 3E notice was made on 16/6/2000, not 29 page, 13/10/2023. Right.
Right.
They got 14 lakhs. in their account 16/3/2024. Right? Then they got this
Another
92,000 also,
92,000.
588 in April 2024. Right? After they got this money, now they are after this money
which has gone
for this man, the other man, Safed Ali,
Safed.
right? And Safed Ali, for that, they got the certificate on 16/6 from circle officer. It does not say that this certificate does not say that apart from the petitioner, right? Apart from the petitioner, this man called Ashraf Ali
Ashraf.
also had possession of a DAG number 417. It's simply certified. No, it should have been said by the circle officer that petitioner as well as her husband had different possession under DAG number 417. Selectively gave a certificate in favor of the petitioner.
No, my lord, Ashraf Ali is died. Already he was the original owner. So after his death, he died in 2021. So after his death, when we have acknowledged the matter, the notice was issued to us in my name and subsequently in my
Not a
husband's
matter to be
name.
resolved.
And
Money has already gone out.
Already gone.
If it is a matter to, for filing title suit. Heard Mr. D. Bhattacharya.
And Your Honor,
Counsel for
regarding
the petitioner.
577,
Whatever, everything will be, everything will come out after they file their affidavit. Mr. B.J. Talukdar, learned senior counsel, is stated by Mr. P.K. Medhi, learned junior government advocate, Assam, for the respondent number 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And Ms. N. Bodole, learned standing counsel, Revenue and Disaster Management Department, for the respondent number 2. Issue notice returnable 4 weeks. So and so, so and so. Extra copies to your homes.
Item 13,
Okay, welcome. When the 3D notification was published? No previous case. Huh?
let me check, I'm checking. It was on 13/10/2023.
13/10.
Yes.
When it was published, of 3Z3, before proceeding to determine the amount of compensation, the competent authority shall give public notice published in 2 local newspapers when it was published, inviting claims from all persons interested in the land to be acquired when it was published.
I don't have any knowledge regarding that when it was published.
Because such notice shall state the particulars of the land, shall require all persons interested in such land to appear in person or by an agent by a legal practitioner before the competent authority at a time and place and to state the nature of their respective interest in such land. When did you do?
No, after receiving this notice, locally, we don't have any knowledge regarding what it was published.
That is much after this public notice.
Yeah. Regarding the publication, I don't give any knowledge, but when I have received this physically, after
That
receiving-
is, see, Mr. Bhattacharya, before determining compensation, you received a notice in 3E, right? That is after publication of the notice in 2 newspapers. And to submit your claim, if you have any, before the competent authority. Thereafter, he assessed the compensation under 3G1. Then ask the requiring authority, that is NHIDCL or NHAI, to deposit the amount under section 3H, right? 1. Thereafter, he proceed for section 3E, right? Because by that time, everything is finalized. So where is the scope for our intervention here? If you lodge the claim within the time, then if he finds that there is another claimant, he has to refer the matter to the principal civil judge, right? All this have gone expired. 3E is for taking possession. That you take this money, give possession, only for that purpose. So at the stage of 3E, much water has flown after public notice. Where is the question of our intervention here? If you fail to submit your claim then and there as per the public notice, then he will proceed and it will attain finality. Where is the question of us intervening in the matter? I go to you. This is just adding a number. First of Mr. Who is competent authority? Mr. Having regard to the issue raised in this petition, the respondent number 4, who is competent authority? Respondent number 4, who was the competent authority for land acquisition for the project in question, shall this when the public notice in 2 newspapers was published as per the provisions of subsection 3 of section 3G of the National Highway Act 1956. Mr. Taluga, Council, appearing for respondent number so and so, shall obtain the above information from the respondent number 4 to place it on the next date of listing, list the case also and so. If that time has gone for lodging the claim, no point to, for entertaining our repetition. Please the case also. No. You need any copy? Mr. Bhattacharya, Counsel for the petitioner shall furnish a copy of the repetition along with annexer to Mr. Medhi, learned counsel assisting Mr. Taluga by tomorrow. Because that stay is gone, then gone. You lost the right.
But
That file claim somewhere else, not in the repetition. We are not here to decide all these issues. Because public notice, 2 newspapers, if you have missed it, then missed it.
9 September 0909. Item 13.
Item 30. Yes. One katha. What happened? One katha. Yes.
Yes, in this case, the land has already been acquired and the compensation is yet pending for Zirat and as well as for the.
What is your claim has been finalized?
Yes.
What is that?
My lord, here.
You are Patta land
Yes,
owner.
Pataland, Pataland.
One katha, KP
Yes.
Patta number so and so. Heard Mr. D. Bhattacharya, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. B. J. Talukdar, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr. P. K. Medi, learned junior government advocate Assam for the respondent number 1, 3, 4, and 5. And Mr. A. Bhattacharya, learned standing counsel, revenue department for the respondent number 2. Post of. The case of the petitioner is that he owned a plot of land measuring 1 katha, comma, covered by dag number so and so. KP Patta number so and so, situated at which village?
This is Goral.
Huh?
Goral.
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 Comma, Ajar Revenue Circle, Kamrup Metro, District Kamrup Metro, comma, Assam, subject for sort. Full stop. For which project?
This is for the PM Divine project,
Huh?
Airport Road Trust.
Is there any mention somewhere?
Yes, it is PM Divine project.
Where is that?
It's, in a notice itself.
Okay.
PM Divine program.
Entire subject block? Entire area? 1 katha?
It is a road.
No, no. You said you owned 1 katha.
Yeah.
1 katha or 1 bigha?
1 katha. Means
1 katha.
Yeah, it was.
So it was wholly acquired or partly acquired?
Partly. The total land was 2 katha 4 desa.
You said in your synopsis, 1 katha.
1 katha has been acquired.
You own how much
2
area?
katha 4 desa.
2 katha 4.
4 desa.
Okay. Petitioner owned. And in possession of. Where have you said so? Where have you said so? Where have you said so? 2 kathas.
That is
Where?
in case number 19. Your Honor, the Jamabandi is there.
Petitioner has approached this court, agree by non-receipt of Zirat compensation amount of rupees 6,85,798 assessed by the respondent authorities towards compensation for acquiring a part of his land. Post of. Issue notice, returnable on soils. Steps. This thing is misleading.
3009, 30th September. Item 4.
No.
Item 14.
Yeah,
Yes.
improving order is my lord. Page 22, answer 5.
Page 22. আবেদনকারী আব্দুল কাদিরের আবেদন চোয়া হল। আবেদন মতে বৈগাঁও মৌজার What is the story?
This is my lord, late Amjad has 8 legal years.
Late
8 legal years, 5 daughters and
late Afazuddin.
husband. Yes, my lord. Then after his died, all of them legal as name has been mutated. And they immediately partition the land. Partition and 4 sisters, the present petitioners, they got 2 bigger, 1 got something, and other 4, so 3 brothers and 1 sister for the same land. Thereafter, for formal partition, we filed an applications before the circle officer, and the circle officer has passed the order partition the land, and separate patta drag number has been granted in our favor. Then one of my brother, he is the respondent of 5, he filed a complaint before the co-district commissioner, alleging that he has not consented. Then my lord, the appellate authority, without hearing us,
Okay.
passed the mover.
Heard Mr. J. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. A. Petitioners. Mr. A. Aforesaid, learned standing counsel. Revenue and Disaster Management Department, Government of Assam, for the respondent number 1. And Mr. J. Hendik, learned junior government advocate Assam, for the respondent number 2, 3, and 4. Full stop. The petitioners, comma, 4 in number, comma, stated that they are daughters of one late Aforesaid. Full stop. Aforesaid was the owner and recorded other of a parcel of land, comma, measuring 4 bighas, 2 kathas, 6 lessas, comma, covered by dag number 143 and patta number 35, comma, secret at Vilas village, Outola Bari, Moja Buragaon, Revenue Circle, District Morigaon, Assam, within bracket the subject plot. Fakhruddin died, leaving behind 3 sons and 5 daughters, including the 4 petitioners. After the death of Fakhruddin, comma, the petitioners, comma, the respondent of 5, comma, who is the son of late Fakhruddin, comma, and other legal heirs, had got the subject plot mutated in their favor by an order dated 21/11/2025. The said mutation order was passed by the respondent number 4 in mutation case number paragraph 3. As all the legal heirs of late Aforesaid, including the present 4 petitions, were entitled to equal shares in the subject plot, comma, they had amicably divided the subject plot amongst them in equal share, and thereafter they are in possession of their respective share of land. Full stop. According to petitioners, comma, the 4 daughters of late Aforesaid, comma, are in possession of 2 bighas of the total area of 2 bighas, 1 katha, three lesser, and the remaining 4 legal heirs of late Afajuddin, that is 3 brothers of the petitioner and another sister of the petitioners, are in possession of the remaining 2 bighas, 1 kathas, 3 lessers out of the subject plot. The petitioners filed a petition for partition of the subject plot as per the amicable settlement among the all the legal heirs and by an order dated 21/1/2026 passed in municipal partition number page para 6 of the subject plot was partitioned and an area of 2 bighas, 1 katha, 3 lessers had been separated from the original patta by creating a new patta number 198 and dag number 776, wherein the present petitioners are in possession, right? First of, the petitioners have approached this court aggrieved by an order dated 8/5/2026 passed by the respondent number 3, whereby the respondent number 3 had cancelled the partition on the ground that the partition was obtained by the present petitioners without taking consent of the other purposes 4 legal heirs of late Afajuddin and directed the respondent number 4 to cancel the mutation order dated 21/1/2026. First of it is the contention of the petitioner that the impugn order dated 8/5/2026 was passed on the basis of an application filed by the respondent number 5, and the impugn order was passed without putting the petitioners on notice and without granting them any opportunity of being heard. Saying that the impugn order has been passed behind the back of the petitioners. The petitions are before this court by the present petition. First of, issue notice returnable on so and so. As so and so appeared, extra copies within 2 working days. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 5 by speed post within 2 working days from today. Post of heard the learned counsel for the parties on the interim prayer. Post of having regard to the position made that the impugn order dated 8/5/2026 has been passed without affording any opportunity of hearing to the petitioners. And in violation of the principles of natural justice, it is ordered in the interim that the operation of the impugn order dated 2026 shall remain in abeyance till the returnable date.
30/09.
And
30th September.
if already cancelled, it may be kept in abeyance.
Huh?
If already cancelled, it may be kept in abeyance.
Operation of the order.
30.
39. Lordship, our name may be reflected in the court list, but it was not so.
लिखी दी वो है. Item number, this is
14,
item
Lordship.
Okay, the name of government advocate Assam is to be reflected in the respondent side in the call list.
Item 16,
Please, your lordship.
Lordship, I am for the petitioners. The matter is related to your lordship NOC, no objection certificate for land transfer, your lordship. Lordship, the petition number 1 is buyer and petition number 2 is the seller. Your lordship, they jointly submitted
Petition number
application for
1 is the
NOC.
seller, or petition number
2 is
1 is the.
one is your lordship buyer, 2 is seller.
Huh.
Accordingly, both your lordship.
You
both,
filed your application or what?
NOC form, your lordship, that is page number 11A.
It is in which district?
Your lordship, Kachar district under Silchar Revenue Circle. Jointly submitted NOC application, your lordship, dated 15th May 2023. And your lordship, it is still pending without any reason.
When it was filed?
It was filed, your lordship, 15th May 2023.
Yes. 2023.
I have taken instruction.
Hmm?
I have to take instruction.
Better you obtain instruction.
Simple matter, your lordship.
Huh? Heard, Mr.
MA Borbe, your lordship.
M.A. Borvi and Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Minister A. Authorized and its pending counsel. Revenue and Disaster Management Department, Government of Assam for the respondent number 1. And Mr. H.K. Hazarika and Junior Government Advocate Assam for the respondent number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Post of. It is a case of the petitioners that the petition number 1 as the proposed buyer and the petition number 2 as the proposed seller submitted an application on 15/5/2023 for a no objection certificate and a notified public service from a composite land sale transfer.
It was before
Okay.
that.
For
Prior to that.
for a no objection certificate under section 21A of the Registration Act 1908, as amended. Full stop. As the said application for NOC is pending since then, the petitioners are before this court by the present writ petition. Seeking direction to the respondent authority or dispose of the application in an expeditious manner. As the application for NOC is stated to be pending since 15/5/2023, Mr. Hazarika, Junior Government Advocate Assam, shall obtain instruction, is to obtain instruction as regards the present status of the application, which has been registered and numbered as 1650.
Yes, your lordship. It was filed before respondent number 2.
Which has been registered and numbered at the office of the respondent number 2 as application number 1650 dated 15/5/2023.
Yes.
Okay, as sought for by Mr. Hazarika, list the case on. Yes, Mr. Hazarika, tell me a date. Notice you need 2 weeks. Two, and no office, no private respondents?
No, your lordship.
Okay. Mr. Hazarika has submitted that. He needs some time to obtain so and so. Issue notice, then returnable 2 weeks. return date did you? As so and so appear, accepted. No formal notice, extra copies. Having regard to the issue involved, the respondents shall obtain the necessary instructions. First of, on the basis of the instructions placed, an endeavor will be made for final consideration of the repetition.
18 September. Item 18.
For the matter for 9 days.
This is bank account only.
Yes.
Why passing over?
Mr.
Hard miss.
S. Laskar.
Law School Land Council for the petitioner. What is the bank? Central Bank.
Central Bank of India, Bhetapara.
The petitioner has stated that he has been maintaining what kind of accounts? Current savings? Passport. Look for myself then. Account number 1518541-333. At Central Bank of India, Bhetapara branch, within bracket the respond number 3. Post of, it is a case of the petitioner that the bank account of petitioner has been wholly freezed on the basis of wholly freezed on inquiry command the petitioner has learned that the debit freeze instruction has been placed by the respondent bank on receipt of a notice dated 20/03/2026 issued by Northeast CEN Crime Police Station, Bangalore City, Karnataka, in connection with a complaint, cyber crime complaint registered in the NCRP wide acknowledgement number so and so. Full stop. The petitioner has stated that the bank account has been blocked allegedly due to a suspicious transaction stroke credit of rupees 1,630 dated 16/10/2025. Full stop. Issue notice returnable on so and so. As H.K. Hazuri, Lani Junior Government Program Assam for the respond number 4 and 5. Full stop. Issue notice respond number 1, 2, 3, and 7. The notice is made returnable on so and so. Having regard to the issue involved, notice to respond number 6 is found not necessary at this stage.
5th October, 05/10/26. Item 19.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, this is a case of excess acquisition of land than what has been notified, my lord. So if your lordship turn up to page 32.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. In the right hand side, my lord. মহোদয় ইমান হুকুমৰে সূত্ৰে মিনু হাজৰা হাজৰিকা কলেজৰ ভীম প্ৰসাদ গড় বৃহস্পতি আৰু 1 বিঘা 3 কঠা 5 লেচা মাটি শ্ৰী প্ৰবন চন্দ্ৰ মহন্ত পিতা খৰ্গেশ্বৰ মণ্ডলৰ নামত নামজাৰি হ'ল। That means I was the owner of a land measuring 1 বিঘা 3 kata 5 lesa, my lord. Now, your lordship, the excess land that has been acquired is reflected that your lordship will find it page 64, my lord. This is the RTI information provided by the authority, my lord. Now, Pawan Chandra Mohanto, serial number 2. I am Pawan Chandra Mohanto, my lord. The land that has been acquired is 1 kata 2 lesa 3, 1 bigha 2 kata 3 lesa, my lord. Now, meaning thereby, a portion of land measuring 1 kata 2 lesa still remains with me, my lord. Now, this portion of land, the construction of a highway was completed in the year 2023, 24, my lord. Immediately, I went to the plot of land, my lord. I could not trace it. I filed a demarcation application that your lordship will find. And in fact, my lord, at page 66, I have given the up-to-date land revenue till the year 2025, my lord. Then, my lord, my first representation, your lordship will find at page 69, my lord. I'll read the last part, my lord. As such, I got it, my lord.
Yes.
Page 69. The type copy is at page 70B, my lord.
Yes.
As such, I pray before your honor to do the needful and demarcate the said plot of land for proper identification before the circle officer, my lord.
Yes.
Then the circle officer, after verifying, gave a report that your lordship will find at page 73, my lord. The vernacular, may I read the vernacular, my lord? It will make it clear, my lord. উপৰোক্ত বিষয় সন্দৰ্ভত ইয়াৰ লগত শ্ৰী প্ৰবন চন্দ্ৰ মহন্তৰ আবেদনৰ প্ৰতিলিপি আৰু সংলগ্ন পত্ৰসমূহ আপোনালোকলৈ প্ৰেৰণ কৰা হ'ল। হাকুমথা মৌজাৰ কোচগাঁও ইমান নম্বৰ ম্যাদী পট্টাৰ ইমান নম্বৰ দাগৰ 1 বিঘা 3 কঠা 5 লেচা মাটিৰ ভিতৰত 1 বিঘা 2 কঠা 3 লেচা ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় গাইপটৰ নামত অধিগ্ৰহণ কৰাৰ পাছত বাকি ৰৈ যোৱা 1 কঠা 2 লেচা মাটিত আবেদনকাৰীৰ নাম আছে যদিও উক্ত মাটিৰ সীমা সমজি পোৱা নাই বুলি আবেদনত উল্লেখ কৰিছে। Now, subsequently, that has been made clear, reaffirmed, my lord, that your lordship will find at page 76. This is a much clear report, my lord. May I read it, my lord?
Yes.
সন্মান সহকাৰে আপোনাক জনাও যে সংশ্লিষ্ট লাটমণ্ডলৰ দাখিল কৰা প্ৰতিবেদনৰ ভিত্তিত জনা যায় যে হাকুমথা মৌজাৰ সোয়েনছো দাগ নম্বৰ ইমান পিতা খৰ্গেশ্বৰ নামজালি চলি থকা দেখা যায়। 1 বিঘা 3 কঠা 5 লেচা মাটি আৰু উক্ত দাগৰ অংশ 1 বিঘা 3 কঠা 5 লেচাৰ পৰা 1 বিঘা 2 কঠা 3 লেচা মাটিৰ ইমান টকাৰ চতুৰ্থ সংযোগ। We are not disputing the amount, neither we are aggrieved by that, my lord. We are only here before your lordship for the excess acquisition land without compensation, my lord. Now, the last para I will read, my lord. সংশ্লিষ্ট লাটমণ্ডলৰ সৰজমী তদন্ত কৰি প্ৰতিবেদনত উল্লেখ কৰে যে হাকুমথা মৌজাৰ কোচগাঁৱৰ ইমান নম্বৰ ম্যাদী পট্টাৰ ইমান নম্বৰ দাগৰ this is the total land, my lord. 6 বিঘা 4 কঠা in the said দাগ, my lord. লেচাৰ অংশ 1 বিঘা 3 কঠা 5 লেচা মাটিৰ আবেদনকাৰী পৱন চন্দ্ৰ মহন্ত পিতা খৰ্গেশ্বৰৰ নামত নামজাৰি চলি থকা সম্পূৰ্ণ মাটি 1 বিঘা 3 কঠা 5 লেচা মাটি চতুৰ্থ সংযোগী পথত লোৱা সেয়েহে সীমা দেখুৱাব পৰা নাযায়।
That means it is admitted, and in fact, the revenue authorities is helping us. They have requested the NHI authority, DCL authorities regarding the payment. Now the NHI DCL authorities came up with a letter, my lord, that your lordship will find at page 77, my lord. Now it says, my lord, they have not denied that excess land has been acquired. They have come up with a response that we have not filed it within a period of 3 years, which quoting section 3G5. In 3G5, there is no such limitation, my lord. 3G5, my lord. I'll read it. Now, my lord. 3G5.
Now we are seeking compensation for that.
For that, my lord. That is my simple case, my lord.
Heard, Mr.
And Bormon, my lord.
Union, Mr. Taludar.
Lordship.
Mr. R.K. Taludar.
Lordship,
and-
I have one submission, Lordship. Rightly or wrongly, Lordship, his claim has been rejected, Lordship, by letter dated page 77 and page 87, Lordship. May peruse. Page 87, Lordship.
Page
87, Lordship. May I read, Lordship? It's a letter to the Additional District Commissioner, Lordship. Prior petition regarding non-payment of compensation in respect of so and so, so and so. Please refer to the so and so letter wherein your good office has forwarded prior petition dated 16 submitted by Bhim Prasad regarding non-payment of so and so village. In this regard, reference is drawn to the certificate furnished by Kala dated 11/5/23, copy and close, wherein it has been also brought out that certified that no further survey numbers and their assets are left in the said stretch in respect of Patta and government land, that is for the project Jamuguri so and so, Halam Gauhati Revenue Circle. Further, the complete amount towards compensation to beneficiaries for acquisition of land duly certified by Kala required for landing so and so has been already released by NHI DCL to Kala on by 19 based on its determination as per so and so act. It is important, Lordship. It is also pertinent to mention that the instant land acquisition process was carried out based on 3A notification dated 5/3/14 and revised 3G award was also determined long back in 2018-2019. The development of four-lane highway also stands completed as on date. As per general law of limitation, cases beyond 3 years from the date of award determination may not be accepted. As such, representation period should not be continued for an indefinite period of time. This has been rejected, Lordship, his prayer, Lordship. So it is to be under challenge, Lordship. This is my submission, Lordship.
This he says,
Yes, Lordship. And
as
page
per the general law of limitation,
and page 77. Lordship.
cases beyond 3 years
Yes,
from the date of award stroke determination.
Lordship.
It is 3G1.
Lordship.
Now that he said missing plot.
Lordship.
If the missing plot, there has to be
Yes,
somebody
Lordship. That is, Lordship. his
somebody
claim
is to be
genuine, Lordship,
somebody
yes.
is to be answerable.
One portion is left.
Right.
Yes,
Somebody is to be answerable.
Lordship, may issue notice.
R.K. Taludar, standing counsel.
In fact, my lord, the NHI authorities cannot come up differently, my lord. at this stage.
NHIAI and NHIDCL.
Lordship, I am for only NHI DCL.
Okay, NHIDCL. For the respond number 1
1 and 3 and
3.
5.
and 5. And anybody?
NHI C board 1 and maybe I have.
Okay, you have,
Yeah, I told him. That.
okay, Mr. C. Borwal and standing counsel, NHAI for the respondent number
2, Lord.
2,
2 and 4.
4. And Mr. H. K. Hazarika, learned junior government advocate Assam for the respondent number 6 and 8. And Ms. Ann Bordole, learned standing counsel, revenue department for the respondent number 7. Post of the petitioner's projection is that he was the owner of a plot of land measuring 1 bigha 3 kathas 5 lessas, covered by DAG number number 49, situated village. Vishwanath Revenue Cycle, District Vishwanath, post of. In a land acquisition process initiated for acquisition of land for National Highway, a part of the subject plot measuring 1 bigha, 2 katha and 3 lessas was acquired under the provisions of the National Highway Act 1956, and the petitioner received an amount of rupees. Where is that?
64, page 64, my lord.
64.
Paragraph 6 also, Lordship.
64. An amount of rupees
42 lakh.
52,248. Full stop. As after acquisition of one acquired land, as after acquisition of the acquired land, comma, the petitioner is left with an area of land measuring 1 or 2 lessons out of the subject. So when the petitioner sought to get the said area of 1 katha, 2 lessons demarcated, comma, it has been reported by the respondent number subject plot is found to be utilized for the national highway. Post thus, comma, as on that, comma, the petitioner is left with no land within the subject plot, and the petitioner has not also received any compensation for the area of land measuring 1 katha 2 lessa till date. We should not just returnable on so and so. As so and so has appeared accepted. For copy, you need to working this. The respondents are to ensure that their counter affidavits are filed on or before the return.
5th October, 05-10-26.
My lord, item number 20 also same DAG number, same pata number. Just the amount is different and the remaining portion of land is different, my lord.
Okay, 1 bigha, 1 3 katha, 5 lessa subject plot. Acquired land 1 bigha, 2 katha 2 lessa. Left out is 1 katha 3 lessa. And amount of compensation received?
Receive, my lord. Page 37, my lord.
Page 37. Which one?
First, Supreme Prasad Gautam. Serial
42
number.
lakh 22,512.
My lord. I'm deeply obliged.
Item 21.
In application for issuance of nature, demand, penalty, interest. What you were doing since 25/12/2023?
Well, after they have issued the so-called notice, one has, thereafter another second so-called notice was issued.
Whatever.
Yes.
What are you doing since 25/12/2023?
Actually, whenever the so-called is issued,
no action has been initiated by the department for confirmation.
No, what are you doing since 25/12/2023?
I'm not, because I'm the bona fide that my so cause has been dropped.
So you are sitting pretty
Yeah.
after the order in original.
No, order is not received by me.
Hmm?
That's the main issue, my lord, in this case.
Order?
After issue of the so cause notice, I submitted my defense reply. And thereafter, no proceeding is initiated by the department, no adjudication, personal hearing was communicated, no one has appeared before the adjudicating
How
officer.
did you know that order in original has been passed?
Yes, my lord. Actually, when the recovery notice in 2026, page number 204. In 2026, 5th February, 204, when recovery notice is issued, then I came to know that the order is passed. Recovery notice, inviting your attention that caption subject, you are hereby requested
You
to
want to
pay.
say that it is not received by or it is not published or not uploaded anywhere?
No.
They will
No.
respond.
Lord Summit, please to see page 109. He has written through his hand, downloaded from portal on 6/6/2026.
6/6/2026.
So,
After
We'll ask the portal when it was uploaded.
how? Subsequently.
Lordship,
2006.
anyway, Lordship, under section 107 appeal lies. Let him file appeal and filing application that he has received the order on to 6/6/26.
My lord, here also I have sought a clarification because there is no demand in the portal age on date. DRC 07 demand confirmed.
Who will ask?
So
The
it is
respondents
possible to
will ask
clarify.
10 page?
Page 190.
190. You respond when it was uploaded.
Lordship may take up matter on Tuesday. Lordship, I'll obtain instruction.
This order in original,
This order is where
as how it is communicated.
Yes.
One is by the method prescribed.
Once it is
Once or it is uploaded,
uploaded, that will.
right?
Yes.
And that will give the signal to the SSC that something has come.
Lordship,
It is easily detected. It can be easily detected. If it is uploaded in the portal, it will come to his individual.
Yes,
Definitely,
till
it
date
is-
there is no.
Once it is uploaded, it is duty of the SSC to look up and
Yes.
go through the.
But till date, DRC 03 is not uploaded. And on seeking clarification, the department says your 2017-18.
This order in original is not uploaded. That is your case.
Yes, that is uploaded on 26 June 2026.
Then how he downloaded on 6/6/26.
No.
Which page you are saying?
Page 190.
190. When
Where it is? Okay, he writes
Here,
downloaded
yes.
from portal.
Yes.
6/6/2026. And he is saying 26/6.
Yes, Lord.
It is available in the portal in 26/6.
26 to 2026.
Huh?
That is till date that is available. This order, but it is not available because DRC 07 confirmed demand is not available in the portal as on date. Without the DRC 07 confirmed demand, appeal is not lies because on the portal it will ask what is the assessment financial year, then period of dispute, then comes to the demand ARN number in DRC 07. DRC 07 is not available. So,
Lords, may come to page 211, Lords. Letter dated 2/4/26. With reference to the office earlier letter dated so and so followed by your reply dated
20?
11.
4/26, page 211.
211.
Lords.
211. Yes.
May I read, Lords?
Yes.
With reference to this office earlier letter dated 5/2/2026 followed by your reply dated 24/2/2026 I, the undersigned, would like to state that the said education order bearing number so and so dated 26/12/2023 for the financial year 17/18 was sent through office email as well as it was also sent by the post. Hence, question of denial from the receiving the said order does not arise. Moreover, I would like to mention that due to the technical glitch, when order were uploaded by DRC 7 for the financial year 2017/18, the financial year displayed in the BO system reflected 2018-19 instead of 2017-18. Therefore, please consider the order of 2018-19 reflected in the column as 2017-18 as ticket were also raised in order to rectify the technical glitch. Hence, you are hereby requested to do the needful at the earliest. In 24/2/26, Lordship, the PTC came to know. Then why this letter were communicated?
Now you say that this order in original dated 26/12/2023 has been communicated through office mail as well as by post.
Yes, Lord.
First paragraph.
Yes, Lord.
So if it is there, if they have acknowledged the receipt or it is duly communicated, then it is a different matter.
Yes, Lord.
My lord, page number 2012 to 212. His replies to this letter, recovery of demand, page 2 and 2. I acknowledge with the thanks of
That is what that second paragraph plea. That second paragraph plea.
17/18 PRC 07 is not available in DRC.
No, I am not on it. Second B. I am not computer friendly, for which I might have missed. This is important.
Yes.
This is more important.
Actually, the
The
2026
adjudication order, that is why we have to know. Because it is communicated or not.
Yes.
After, due to your handicap of not being computer friendly, may not be an excuse for 3 years for sitting pretty. Once you are communicated with the order in original and something is coming towards you, adverse is coming towards you, then it is a different matter.
Actually,
Don't take this DRC, but let us see if first it has been communicated to you or not.
Yes.
What is more important is the order in original in full. All this summary is annexer. What is mean is the order in original.
Yes.
Whether that has been communicated or not.
That is not been communicated.
That is what?
He is writing here. Further, please note that I have not received any hard copy of the order by post or by.
It may not be required also.
And
let us see rule 142. Let us see rule 142. What does it say? And what has been held? What has been held? On this court has held at 142 or 143. Notice. Then what is the provision for uploading? What is the provision for uploading? Rule 142, that mode of doing it. 140, somewhere near 140. Don't be shy now. Mode. That is order asil na. Ita the pahorilo. Era more order. What is that rule? What is that rule? Why it is to be Mode of communication.
Not a communication.
Yes. Come back at two. এটা মোৰো এটা order আছে না।
Rule 169, section 169 and rule 142(5).
So what are the grounds of attack, Mr. Sahu?
My lord, first of all, this order has been passed without complying with the principle of natural justice. Secondly, the order has been passed belatedly in the upload in the portal. But
When it was uploaded?
On 6 June 2026. That is also on record, page number 104.
Okay. And
Page number.
what more?
Second, third is, there is no confirmed demand in DRC 07 electronically uploaded in the portal. So it is not possible to file appeal. Age on date also, my lord.
Heard Mr. D. Sahu, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. S.C. Kyle, learned senior counsel and special counsel CGST, assisted by Mr. R. Kumar, learned counsel for the respondent number
234.
234. You are
456.
456 not available.
Sure.
Post up. In this writ petition, under Article 226, a sale is made to two show cause notices dated 22/03/2023. Annexer?
I.
Annexer 5.
I.
Page
172.
Two notices.
Two notices, same number, same date, everything same. But contents is different.
Annexer I and Annexer K.
Okay.
And an order in original dated
25 December 2023. Annexer N.
under sections
73.
Under section 73 of the CGST Act, Annexer N. Post up. The grounds of assail inter alia include: 1. The order in original was asked in violation of the principles of natural justice, in that no hearing was afforded to the petitioner under section 75 within bracket 4 of the CGST Act 2017. Semicolon. 2. The order in original was uploaded in the portal belatedly on 6/6/2026. Inter alia, I say. The form
DRC 07.
GST DRC 07 was never issued to the petitioner to enable the petitioner to prefer any appeal under section 107 CGST Act. Post up. In response, Mr. Kyle has submitted that the order in original was duly uploaded in the portal and in terms of the in compliance of the provisions contained in section 169 CGST Act, read with rule 142, 142,
Not, sir.
comma CGST rules 2017. It is, he has further contended that the petitioner had the dignity of preferring an appeal within the period of limitation under section 107 CGST Act. Suppose of the petitioner, instead of preferring such appeal, has approached this court invoking the power, invoking Article 226 of the Constitution of India directly. Full stop. He has further contended that when the order in original is it is assumed that the DRC form GST DRC 07 is not issued to the petitioner, the issuance of the order in original under section 73 CGST Act itself is substantial compliance of the provisions of the CGST Act, and such ground regarding the regarding not furnishing GST DRC 07 it can it cannot be a ground to prefer to say in a writ petition under Article 226. First of, he has further contended that after the order in original was passed on 25/12/2023, the petitioner has responded only after issuance of recovery of confirmed demand notice on
It was issued on
February 5th, February 2025.
5/2/2023. The matter would require consideration, issue notice, returnable and so and so. Keeping the question of maintainability open on the ground of limitation, and other points, other issues, let notice be issued. Notice is made returnable on so and so, as Mr. Kumar has appeared and accepted notice on behalf of so and so. No formal notice, extra copy within 2 working days. The counsel for the petitioner shall serve a copy of the writ petition along with annexer to the learned Deputy Solicitor General of India for service of notice upon the respond number 1 and 3 copies of the writ petition along with annexer to the learned Standing Council, Finance and Taxation Department, Government of Assam. Most of such copies are to be furnished within 3 working days from today. The respondents are to ensure that their counter affidavits are filed on or before the returnable date.
My lord, the recovery notice, the 2 recovery, they shall be kept in abeyance till the next day. Recovery
We'll
notice.
hear subject to. You are sitting pretty since 2023.
Actually, I am the impression that that has been concluded and dropped, demand has been dropped. So
Let us see.
Yes,
Otherwise,
yes, yes.
we'll secure the date of uploading of the order in original in the portal
Yes. Not,
within 2-3 days then. Otherwise, we have said or uploading is substantial compliance.
yes. Actually, it's a till date, we have time and again telling that you upload a 707. They are telling that no.
What
it's a
prevented
technical-
you to file the appeal?
It's a technical problem, so it is not possible.
What prevented you to file the appeal? Since
Yes.
25/12/2023. The order in original is there. This is DRC 07 is
Actually, after
only a
February-
part of it. Is it not?
No.
Is it not total, the order in original?
Actually, when we
Let
are
us see the
filing
order in
appeal-
original.
Yes.
Order in original. Is it not detailed?
No, actually.
It is in detail.
Is it detailed?
That is detailed.
Is it detailed?
ARN number is allotted.
We'll see whether the prejudice has been caused to
My
you.
lord. ARN number
Prejudice,
is-
prejudice.
Yes.
Prejudice.
05-10-26, 5th October. Item 24.
Freezing of bank account.
Heard, Mr.
K Islam.
K. Islam, learned counsel for the petition. The petitioner stated that he has been maintaining a bank account number so and so with a respondent number 2 bank. Full stop. The petitioner has approached this court agreed by the action of the respondent number 2 bank as the entire bank account has been blocked, has been kept debit freezed on the premise that a cyber crime complaint has been reported in the NCCRP that there is suspicious transaction stroke credit of rupees 3690 in the bank account of the petitioner. Issue notice returnable on so and so. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall supply a copy of the petition along with annexure to the learned Deputy Solicitor General of India for service of notice upon the respondent number 1 within 2 working days from today. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by speed post within 2 working days from today. Last part of Likidi.
5-10-26. Item 25.
Mr. Sibora is on legs. May kindly please pass on for time. God bless.
26.
Yes.
I'm challenging the order at page 74, my lord, by the banking ombudsman, my lord, whereby my complaint was rated as not maintainable, my lord.
Banking ombudsman.
Yes, my lord.
When the order was passed?
It was passed on 20, it was sent in the email, my lord, 20 February 2026, my lord. It was sent in it was sent in the email, my lord, 20 April 2026, my lord.
Banking ombudsman. Nowadays, under the banking ombudsman scheme, there is a provision for appeal.
But against this order, there is no appeal, my lord. I have got this scheme, my lord.
Heard, Mr. R.S. Mishra, learned counsel for the petition. This writ petition is preferred against an order dated 12/12/2025 passed by the respondent number, passed by the banking ombudsman, comma,
The 6, my lord.
hmm?
Order was sent in an email on 22/2026.
Dated 12/12/2025. Banking ombudsman, Gauhati or Assam or what? What does it say?
It says, my lord, RBI, it says, my lord,
No, huh?
It says RBI, it was sent in email, my lord. Everything was done.
No,
in
no, I
email.
am saying what is to be called. Banking ombudsman, Gauhati, Assam, India.
My lord,
Who is he?
my lord. It is my banking, it says, my lord, respond now 5, my lord.
Banking
The banking
ombudsman,
ombudsman,
comma,
only banking ombudsman,
Guwahati.
my lord, Office of the Reserve Bank of
Guwahati.
India.
So it is stated that the order dated 12/12/2025 has been communicated to the petitioner only on 20/04/2026. The petitioner has contended that the respondent Union Bank of India authorities had illegally, had arbitrarily and unauthorized denied or what?
It has debited the amount from the account, my lord.
Denied, oh, sorry,
Debit.
debited a sum of an amount of rupees 12 lakh
12 lakh 99.
99,279 against what?
My lord, as it was a CC loan, my lord, they have made balance
Against a
charges.
cash credit loan
Cash credit loan, they have
availed by the petitioner from them. Issue notice returnable on search. Steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Upon respondents by speed post within 3 working days from.
much of it.
5/10, 5th October. Item 28.
Yes,
My lord, account freeze, my lord,
count fees.
SBI, SBI Secretariat branch.
M. Ali, petitioner. Any amount? No. The petitioners have approached this court. Agreed by. Instruction rests. Agreed by. The action on the part of the respondent, State Bank of India authorities. So it is stated that the bank account number, current bank account number, so and so, maintained by the petitioners with the spot number 5 has been kept blocked entirely without any prior notice to the petitioners. So stop. Issue notice returnable on so and so. Also for the petitioner shall supply a copy of the petition along with annexer to the learned Deputy Solicitor General of India for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 within 2 working days from today. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 1, 3, 4, and 5 by speed post within 2 working days from today. Last pair legacy.
Lord, item 31 and 32 say.
There is 31.
31.
Here
M.
it is,
Lee.
here it is 7,000 has been marked as disputed amount.
Savings bank account, huh? Respondent 5 in TKS. The petitioner has stated that on inquiry, he came to know that his account, savings bank account, has been kept blocked on the premise that there has been a suspicious transaction credit of rupees 7,000 in the bank account of the petition, savings bank account of the petition.
Sorry, my lord, 700.
7,000. You said 7,000 in the synopsis.
Lordship, that is mistake. 700.
Open amount.
Annexer 3.
Annexer 3.
Annexer 3. Lordship, serial number 1.
Amount will Beginning. Steps open. Same three, huh? You had three Deputy Solicitor General of India. Baki kani 1, 2, 4, 5 speed post.
32.
Step same. 3 to DYS speed post. Amount for last bit.
5th October. Item 29.
Please, my lord. Five complaints are there, my lord. At page 8, my lord, I have given the chart, my lord.
Okay, maintain it, respond number 4 bank, huh? Savings bank account. Savings bank?
Yes, my lord.
Savings bank account. Which respond number 4? Where you have given the chart?
At page 8, my lord.
What is the total amount?
In one complaint, 1800.
Total.
My lord, in one serial,
Five
I have
complaints,
not.
five complaints.
Complaints are
5
there.
number of complaints. Baki service 1 Deputy Solicitor General of India. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, huh? Speed post. Last bit.
510. Item number 30.
May I please, my lord, the petitioners before your lordship are aggrieved with the, my lord, the action of the respondent. Their, my lord, valuable land and building are being, my lord, marked, my lord, for drawing Bharatmala project, road project, my lord. But they are not, my lord, given any notice.
Marked?
Yes, ma'am. And, my lord,
When it was marked?
my lord, I have, my lord, given one map.
When marked it?
My lord,
NHIDCL?
yes, my lord. I have given, my lord, one photo, my lord.
Have you served any copy of the respondent NHIDCL? There are number of standing councils. There are a number of standing councils, NHIDCL. You should serve a copy. You were there. Okay, then you serve a copy to him. Right. Then only we can proceed. If what is your grievance?
Grievance?
Sir, is you have this land. How much land you have? 12 khatas. 12 khatas.
Total, my lord, plot is, my lord, 2 bighas, my lord. And there is
2 bighas.
warehouse, my lord, the huge warehouse is there, 15,000 square meter wide and, my lord. Cost, my lord, they are approximately, my lord, 6 to 7 crore.
Any gazette notification?
My lord, according to them, my lord, they have not got anything, my lord. In this regard, they have submitted one application, my lord. There is no response of them.
Application is before circle officer at page 25. It ought to have been before Kala.
And plus, we don't know what is the project.
Yes.
There is no,
No document
My lord, Bharatmala, my lord, this is there sure.
No, Bharatmala,
My
there
lord, one
must,
map, my lord, I have given, my lord. Lordship, kindly.
no, Mr. Borbia, there must be notification.
Yes, my lord, this.
Right. Where is the notification?
This notification.
Like you say that all your adjacent lands are acquired.
Yes, my lord.
So without any gazette notification published in newspaper, there cannot be any land acquisition. Huh? So you serve a copy to the NHIDCL, then we'll ask them to dispose of. We'll allow you to file and suppose if we know the project.
Yes.
Yes. And that who is the competent authority land acquisition. We can allow you to file an application whether your land has been acquired or not. He can clarify.
Yes. Yes.
We can direct him to dispose of. Get a copy, sir. Mr. A.M. Borbian, learned counsel for the petitioner. As on that, you are only on apprehension.
No, not apprehension because they are, my lord, saying that, my lord, they have not got notice. They suppose they have to receive this notification, my lord. And my lord, road is, my lord, just I have given map, my lord, page 24, my lord. My lord,
Mr. A. Photosaji, learned standing counsel, revenue department, government of Assam for the respondent 1 and 2. And Mr. J. Hendik, learned junior government advocate Assam for the respondent number
3, 4 and 6.
3, 4 and 6. Full stop. Mr. Borvian, learned counsel for the petitioner, shall serve a copy of the petition along with annexer to the learned, to Mr. C. Borua, learned standing counsel NHIDCL for service of notice upon the respondent number 5. Full stop. Such within by tomorrow or by Monday.
Tomorrow I will.
By Monday. Tomorrow you'll be coming to court.
No, my lord,
Mr. Borua is not coming.
Today.
So by Monday, release the case on Wednesday. The name of learned standing counsel NHIDCL is to be reflected in the respondent side in the columns.
2nd September. Item number 33.
May it please your lordship, my lord. My lord, here, my lord, petitioner is a, my lord, limited liability partnership firm, my lord. Now, my lord, industrial investment policy, my lord, page 88.
So this amount has been deducted. According to you,
Yes,
this is arbitrary.
Yes, my lord.
That's all. We'll issue notice to this
That's
case.
correct, that's correct.
Let them file the affidavit.
Absolutely.
Heard Mr. B. K. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. B. Gogoi.
For the state respondent, man, industry as well as taxation, I am.
Okay. Learned additional advocate general?
Yes, ma'am.
Assam. For all the respondents.
No, my lord, AIDCL is there. And my
Okay.
lord,
Tell me the
so
number.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, and 9.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, and 9.
The petitioner has claimed that it is eligible to get 150%
My lord, yes.
tax of tax
Reimbursement.
reimbursement
Yes.
on its fixed capital investment for 15 years as per clause 13.1
Correct.
of the Industrial Investment Policy of Assam, 2019. First, the petitioner has stated that it submitted a claim for rupees 55 crore 24 lakh 14,075 as regards its fixed capital investment for issuance of an eligibility certificate for claiming tax rebate under the IIPA. Post up. Though the respondent number 7 recommended for issuance of an eligibility certificate for rupees 45 crore, 18 lakh, 86,227, comma, an eligibility certificate dated 31/12/2023 was issued only for an amount of rupees 38 crore, 80 lakh, 12,427. The petitioner claims that the respondent authorities have arbitrarily deducted amounts of rupees 3 crore, 67 lakh, 37,566 under the head of plant and machineries and rupees 93 lakh, 93,426 under the head of internal electrification.
Correct.
Hence the writ petition. Issue notice returnable on so and so. As Mr. Gogoi has appeared, accepted notice on so and so, no formal notice. Extra copies within 2 working days from today. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 4 by speed post. Huh? 4 and 7. 7, he is your man.
No, 4 and 7, direct managing, general manager, district industry. Yes, 7 also. I'm
7, it
yes,
is
yes.
your official.
Only 3.
Only 4.
4.
Yes.
4 in
4 by
Yes.
speed post. Within 2 working days from today.
Obliged.
5th October,
Obliged.
0510.
Thank you.
Supplementary list, item 44.
Lordship, kindly let me pass over for the time being. That senior advocate,
Today it is not possible timing. Okay.
the senior advocate AR Bhuya is on legs, Lordship. He's coming after some time.
Timing matters, item 8.
Yes. What is your instruction?
Lordship, after receiving the representation from the petitioner, a report was given to the DC, and DC has directed, since he has denied that there is any encroachment, for demarcation of the land, whether it's a government land or private land. For that purpose, that joint field verification is to be taken by the circle officer and the executive engineer, PWD, Lordship.
Okay, if Mr. Ganguly comes, we'll decide if
Yes.
he's at the time of joint verification, his presence may also be
Yes, Lordship.
ensured so that the report prepared, copy of the same can also be given to him.
Yes, Lordship.
Right?
Yeah.
So let be on some other date. Mr. He was there initially.
Yes, Lordship. I had to be in court number 1.
A Ganguly, petitioner. B Chaudhary, Standing Council Public Works, National Highways Department, number geta ase. J Hendik Hidibo. Or C Borua. Mr. Chaudhary has submitted that he has received certain instruction in the matter and will place the same on Wednesday. Lays the case on Wednesday. You inform Mr. Ganguly.
Yes.
The maintaining status quo, passed on 21/8/2026, shall be continued till the next date.
2nd September.
Respondent.
Item 10.
Yes.
Please, your Lordship, instruction received, Lordship. The
The registration officer, Silchar Municipal Corporation, has passed the speaking order, Lordship, rejecting the petitioner representation.
Can we dispose of under light of that representation? That's my. Yes, sign.
You can give a copy to Mr. Ghosh.
Yes. Yeah, good today.
So if you want to assail this, you can assail this.
My lord, because so far shifting is concerned, my lord, they have taken a step, my lord. So in the third paragraph of the letter dated, my lord, 25/8/2026, subsequently, my lord, nearest place, my lord.
Regarding shifting a police station.
Yes.
Polling station.
Polling station.
I was considered during exercise for rationalism and other. In newly identified location. Water resource. Place
Yes.
shifting was undertaken as part of the
It's at a nearby location.
was not a decision taken solely on the basis of aforesaid complaint. So there are minors also.
Yes, minors also, my lord.
Maybe.
Minors has not been given, but speaking order has been enforced, my lord.
So we can close this.
On basis of that instruction, my lord, with a liberty, my lord, if the petitioner so advise, he can approve. My lord. I also know at this juncture, I have also no instruction from the petitioner, my lord. I have been handed over, my lord. That is it.
Where is your representation? Complaint.
It is
Annexer?
6/7/26, my lord.
Page.
Lordship, my lord, it's page 70, start page 70, 72.
70,
72.
72.
70 to 72. My lord. Start with 70, page 70. Yes, they are referring to that representation of page 17, annexer 17.
Heard Mr. P.J. Ghosh, learned counsel for the petition. Housing urban. J. Hendrik, learned junior government advocate, Assam, for the respond number 1, 2, 3. 6. And Miss NB Cast. NB Cast. There is NB Cast also. Oh, I get confused always. Oh, that she is NB Cast.
Yes, Lord.
Okay. AB Cast, Learned Counsel on behalf of Mr. R. Dubey, Learned Standing Counsel, Assam State Election Commission, for the respondent number 4 and 5. First of, where the petitioner is a permanent resident of ward number 13 of the Silchar Municipal Corporation. First of, the petitioner has approached this court stating that a representation stroke complaint file submitted by him before the respondent authorities. Mainly before the respondent number 4 and 5. Or
Stop this complaint, Lordship. You will find that they are speaking order, my lord, para 2. Summary.
For correction in the electoral roll
Yes, my lord.
of ward number
Or number 13, lord.
13 has not been considered. Full stop. The writ petition is preferred seeking direction to the respondent authorities. More particularly, the respondent number 4 and the respondent number 5 to consider the representation and to cause an inquiry regarding anomalies in the preparation of the electoral roll of ward number 13 of Silsor Municipal Corporation. Therefore, to hold the election to Silsor Municipal Corporation. First of para Ms. Cast learned council appearing for the respondent 4 and 5 has submitted that the representation stroke complaint submitted by the petition on 16/7/2026 has already been examined by the Assam State Election Commission through the registration officer, Silsor Municipal Corporation of ward number 13. After the consideration, it is found that the request for replacement of electors from ward number 13 to ward number 14, as sought for by the petitioner, cannot be allowed as the cannot be allowed, and to that effect, a speaking order has already been passed on 9/7/2026. Post of Ms. Castro has furnished a copy of the speaking order passed by the registration officer, Silsor Municipal Corporation, ward number 13, to Mr. Ghosh today. Post of as the representation stroke complaint dated 6/7/2026, submitted by the petitioner, has already been disposed of by a speaking order dated 9/7/2026, there appears to be no cause of action to proceed further with the present petition unless the petitioner makes a challenge to the speaking order dated 9/7/2026. Right?
Yes.
In that view of the matter, the repetition is closed, reserving liberty to the petitioner to avail appropriate remedy if he is aggrieved by the speaking order dated 9/7/2000, aggrieved in any manner by the speaking order dated 9/7/2026.
Only, my lord, subject to lordship's correction, my lord. So for my lord, shifting of these officials, they have already taken into consideration that.
So if you are happy.
Item 11.
The petitioner in person is
due to one of the water logging
not found, is not present when the case is called up. In the meantime, you find out.
Lordship.
Right?
Lordship.
Whatever is there. Otherwise, he will come hard on you. Mr. A. Aforesaid. And in flat, it is a flat.
It is not a flat, that
land.
The individual, that portion one, that there is a building, lordship. The first floor is he purchased this.
Okay.
Second floor, they're down.
Sometimes a person name is not mutated also. It can be done.
It can be done.
Find out what is the provision.
Lordship.
Mr. Aforesaid and Mr. Henry, don't say that we don't know what is the procedure. one person in between, the middle one, he did not mutate his name. He had the sale deed. First person bought it, got it mutated. Second person, he registered the sale deed but did not mutate his name. Then petitioner in purchased it from the second man. Now he is not getting his mutation. That is, I think, that is the crux. So it can be done perhaps. A. Bhattacharya, standing also revenue 1, and Mr. J. Hendrik, learned
2 and 3.
Junior Government Advocate for the respondent number 2 and 3 are present. Though the petitioner in person is not present, Mr. Bhattacharya and Mr. Hendrik have submitted that they will make endeavor to obtain instruction in the matter. Release the case on Wednesday.
2nd September. Item 25.
Court will be.
Oh, 4th is the holiday, Lord. 4th is holiday. Was it 3rd?
Right. Second of September. It will be difficult otherwise for me also. Yes.
We were still on legs.
Still on legs. I think it is to be registered as CRP.
Lordship, but while we have filed the arbitration appeal, this honorable court has specified that either we can challenge it under 115 or 227.
No, 226 cannot be.
227.
It is, you filed it 227, but in the first page you said read petition. It should be CRP. And for that, it has been registered as CRP because in 226, you know, a judicial order is not to be challenged. Judicial order of any court.
Lordship, but
Right.
here, as per the order of this honorable court,
It has to be converted to CRP.
Lordship,
Otherwise, nowadays, Supreme Court decision has come also that if you don't have the roster, if you pass this order, it will be nullity. When Mr. Borua is come, the sooner the better.
in court 10, the order is being passed right now. So another 10 minutes, Lordship.
Yes.
Highly obliged.
Item 44.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, we have already been evicted, my lord.
Hmm.
Only, my lord, the ground which we have, my lord, agitated in this petition, my lord, is that regarding, my lord, we have made representation for allotment of land as a landless person and the other benefits, my lord, which had been, my lord,
Will
acted.
issue notice at this stage.
My lord, my lord. My lord, another thing is that, my lord, although this speaking order had been issued, my lord, in the month of January, my lord, that Abdul Khalek, my lord, judgment by the Honorable Apex Court, my lord, regarding constitution of a committee for verification of the claim, that exercise in as regards of these persons, my lord, admittedly, my lord, they were evicted before that judgment, my lord. That's why.
Let the notice be issued, whatever post facto can be done. Mr. A. Abhinal and Senior Counsel, stated by Ms. S. Loskar, and Counsel for the petitioner. Over there, Mr. Bhattacharya, you were for J. Hendrik. J. Hendrik. Mr. Bhattacharya, you were for Standing Counsel. Revenue 3. Forest, anybody? Miss S. Sarma, learned Standing Counsel, Health and Family Welfare Department for the respondent number 10 and 11.
Prayer is, my lord, at page
Seeking
Mal.
a comprehensive and time-bound rehabilitation
Mal.
process. The petitioner after their eviction. After long occupation. The petitioners have preferred this great petition, seeking a host of relief. First up, issue notice returnable on so and so. As so and so appeared accepted. No formal notice. Extra copies. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall serve requisite number of extra copies of the writ petition to the learned standing council, Forest, Environment and Forest Department, Government of Assam, for the respondent number 2, 4, 5, and to the learned standing council, Public Health Engineering Department, Government of Assam, for the respondent number 13. All are covered?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Such copies are to be furnished within 2 working days from today. The respondents are to ensure that their responses are filed on or before the returnable date.
05-10-26.
Oh, Mr. I. Borthakur, standing council,
Forest and page.
PH. Oh, number get
My lord, may I pray, my lord, as these people are in very unhygienic condition, my lord, can some accommodation?
What can I do? The division man has said that formulate a policy. Unless formulate policy, how can we do? We'll see together. Can be the rehabilitation can be done. Definitely can be done.
They can approach under land policy of 2019.
We have approach, my lord. Apply.
25.
Beg apology, my lord. Here, my lord, I have taken from note of my this thing.
No,
the lordship is pointing out 2 things, my lord. Here, 227, we do not do 115. Actually, I was also thinking, but what happened? Dishonorable court passed an order, either or. It is our feeling going.
What either or?
Either means it is
Wait.
95, my lord. It is selling. Last line, my lord. Lordship got it. 8.2. Here.
Yes, you can file revision petition or read petition.
Or
read petition. No,
read petition also. That is how we preferred. Now, if our lordship is.
No, you have in the cost title an application under 227 correctly. But in the main part, you said read petition.
If so,
just a minute. Against what order?
That is interim order passed by the learned district judge order, senior civil division in arbitration appeal. Not appeal, arbitration application. That is application under section 34 of the Arbitration Conciliation Act, my lord.
Okay, I clarify.
Well,
you are for?
Only here my.
You are?
I'm for the caveator, my lord, Rajiv Borua.
Heard Mr. C. Borua. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Learned standing counsel. NHAI. For the petitioner. And Mr. R. Borua.
M. Burman, my lords.
M. Burman.
M. Burman.
Learned counsel for the caveat, respondent number 1 stroke caveator. Mr. A. Aforesaid, learned standing counsel, Revenue and Disaster Management Department for the respondent number 2. And Mr. J. Hendrik, learned Junior Government Advocate Assam for the respondent number 3 and 4. Post. This application has been preferred under Article 227 of the Constitution of India, seeking invocation of supervisory jurisdiction of this court in respect of an order dated 12/3/2026, passed by the Court of Learned Civil Judge within bracket Senior Division bracket close Kamrup Amingao in Miss Arbitration Execution Case number 01/2025, granting interim order during pendency of Miss Arbitration Execution Case number 01/2025 within bracket Rajiv Borua versus the National Highways Authority of India bracket close to release an amount of rupees 73,27,009 to the respondent number 1 Descaviator. Right? Yes. First.
That was not an arbitration execution. That was a 34 petition filed by the caveator.
Yes, that is actually wrongly worded.
Huh? You do wrongly and I correct.
No, it is not my wrong, my lord. That was there.
No. Whether this
Execution was
cost,
not there.
this
No,
order dated 12/3, correct or not?
Yes, yes. This
By
order is-
Senior Division, Civil Judge Senior Division, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Then Miss Arbitration Execution Case number, correct or not?
That is mixed arbitration case, my lords. They have wrongly written as execution word.
Tell me, Miss Arbitration Case number. Correct. Granting interim order during pendency of Miss Arbitration Case number. Execution is to be,
yes.
execution word should be deleted.
Yes, my lords.
That is the case.
Yes, my lords.
The instant application has been registered as a writ petition. Rule 2 of Chapter 5B within bracket rules for application under Article 227 within bracket 1 of the Constitution of India. Missing Chapter 5B. Of the Gauhati High Court rules has inter provided that such applications shall be registered as civil revision petition within bracket C.R.P. ART.27. Next. The Honorable Supreme Court of India in Salini Shyam Sethi and another versus Rajendra Shankar Patil, reported in 2010 8 SSC 329, has analyzed the principles on the exercise of the High Court's jurisdiction under Article 227 of the Constitution of India, and as part of formulation made therein, a petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India is different from a petition under Article 227 of the Constitution of India. First of the mode of exercise of power by the High Court under these two articles is also different. First of it has been observed that in any event, an application under Article 227 cannot be called a writ petition.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
It has been observed therein that the conferment of power under re-jurisdiction of Article 226 of the Constitution of India on High Court is substantially different from the conferment of power of superintendents on the High Court under Article 227 of the Constitution of India. First of next, this court is of a primacy opinion that the instant application is to be registered as civil revision petition within bracket C.R.P. ART 27, the registrar within bracket judicial is requested to look into the matter and take appropriate steps. Full stop. 5. Next, let the case be placed before the registrar within bracket judicial for examination and thereafter, to list the case accordingly on এটা date দি দিব 3rd of
Third million, I'll be out of station on the fifth or fifth. Or
5th or 7th.
After third.
5th is holiday,
Then
so
after
7th.
seven.
7th,
My lord.
9/2026. This order be brought to the notice of the register within bracket judicial. I had done earlier also, same order, converting it to CRP.
We are doing by limited case, that is also some confusion comes.
No, I have passed this detailed order so that registry should be aware of it.
Yes. We also.
Unnecessarily listed.
Yes, my lord. Highly obliged.
I'm obliged, my lord.
For admission, item 38.
Yes, Mr. Kaushik. Yes.
Item number 38.
Yes.
May it please your lordship, this matter is about restraining of certain wood products into India, import of certain wood products into
Yeah,
India.
yes. Is there any IA?
Lordship.
What is the IA?
It's an amendment of the writ petition, your lordship. It's a change of address.
Yes.
Lordship, no objection. It can be.
No objection. We allow.
Lordship.
Heard Mr. A. Kaushik, learned counsel for the applicant read petitioner. You are for?
I for the BIS, Lordship. Respondent number 4 in the I.
Okay, Mr.
B. Hazarika.
B. Hazika, learned counsel for the opposite party, that's respond number 4. Anybody, Mr. SS Roy, available? Who is available? CGC. Miss R. Bora. Miss R. Bora, Senior Central Government Counsel for the opposite party, that's respond number 1, 2, and 3. Union of India. Ministry of Commerce. Right? Post of. The instant interlocutory application is filed by the applicant, read petitioner, seeking in the spirit of Order 6, Rule 7, Code of Civil Procedure 1908, seeking amendment. In the cause title of the accompanying writ petition, full stop. The applicant as the writ petition has preferred the accompanying writ petition, WPC number so and so. Against one DPIIT order against 2 orders or what? He had to order to class against 2 orders, DIP order number so and so and so and so, huh? Full stop. In the instant application, it is stated, in the instant application, it is stated that during tenancy of the accompanying writ petition, the Gauhati branch office of the applicant writ petitioner, address of the Gauhati branch office of the applicant writ petition has been shifted pursuant to an order dated 10/2/2026 passed by the Municipal Secretary, Gauhati Municipal Corporation. Full stop. In the new place where the Gauhati branch office in the plot of in respect of the plot of land where the Gauhati branch office of the applicant petition has been shifted The name of the petitioner company has already been mutated, first of. Para. The petitioner has sought, applicant petitioner has sought for the following amendment. Has sought that in place of its earlier description as page 6 আছে, comma, the present address of the Gauhati branch office, its detail is descriptions are to be inserted as under, comma, the learned counsel appearing for the opposite parties, the respondents have submitted, have agreed to the averment made by the applicant petitioner that such amendment is not going to change the nature and character of the writ petition, accompanying writ petition, full stop. In view of the having considered the amendments, command this court is of the view that the amendments as sought for and indicated above is not going to change the nature and character of the accompanying writ petition. Hence, the instant interlocutory application is allowed. First off, the learned counsel for the applicant writ petitioner shall file and the necessary take appropriate steps to carry out the amendment in the accompanying writ petition.
Highly obliged, Your Lord.
You may have to change the page also. I don't know.
Highly
Do it.
obliged.
And what about the writ petition? Heart so and so petitioner. No affidavit filed. Yes.
Lordship, the similar writ appeal, Lordship, is pending in the division bench of this honorable court. Lordship.
Okay. So you want it listed up sometime.
Lordship.
Mr. So-and-so learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 4.
4.
Has submitted that a similar issue is pending before the division bench of this court and has thus sought for listing of the case after 4 weeks.
Lordship.
Place the case on so-and-so.
Highly
In
obliged.
view of the above submission made by the Mr. Kaushik has also agreed to the said submission of the learned counsel for the respondent number 4 as sought for and agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties. List the case on so-and-so.
9th October, 09/10/26.
Item 39.
Oh, plot of land not required at all. The learned counsel for the petition is found absent today on call. Ms. Arbora, you can give a description. Vijay Taludar head, H.K. Hazarika. In view of non-representation, on behalf of the petitioner, let the case be listed again on 14/9.
Item 40.
My lord, seek some time for filing my affidavit in reply.
S. Mitra.
Made, please, Your Lordship. Having put a respondent 1 and 2.
And Mr. A. Hussain.
Yes, sir.
For the respondent number 1 and 2, Mr. Mitra has sought for further.
Affidavit in reply. 4
How
weeks.
much?
4 weeks.
4 weeks time to file an affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Okay. Please, anything in interim order?
No, my lord, no interim order.
Please the case after provisional date to by the office.
Obliged, my lord.
Obliged.
41.
Why it has come? No affidavit.
My lord, in this case today we have filed.
Permits or what? You represent all.
Yes, all.
Okay.
We file affidavit today, my lord. It's
Okay,
not in
there
record.
is morning at question. There is no representation on behalf of the petition to be on call. Mr. R. Chakravarti and counsel appearing for all the respondents has submitted that an affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respondents has been filed today. First of, as the affidavit in opposition of the respondents, stated to have been filed today, is not on record. List the case. What is the stand?
Well, we are ready to.
Entitled or not entitled?
Yes, he is entitled, but subject to submission of succession
Okay.
certificate.
Then we'll put it on a fixed date.
Yes.
Release the case on so and so with the said affidavit in opposition on record. The petitioner may file its affidavit in reply, if so advised, in the meantime. Video 14.9 or something like
14.
1809. 18.
Hereditary Commission.
Yes.
Okay.
We are ready to deposit in the honorable court registry even.
Okay.
Item 43.
Gulabi. What is the issue and why it has come? Why it has come?
They were to file affidavit, my lord.
My lord, actually, I have on the last day I have mentioned, my lord, some wrong interpretation of the SOP, my lord, regarding ex gratia. We have corrected that, my lord, and sent proposal, my lord. Initially, it was fixed as 10 lakhs, which was not actually proper, my lord. Thereafter, the government rectified it, my lord. Now, for 5 lakhs ex gratia, my lord, we have sent the proposal, my lord.
File your affidavit.
My lord, I will file, my lord. And from government one, rectification affidavit is also required,
My lord, they have already filed affidavits, my lord. They have already filed affidavit, my lord. Page 47, your lordship can
No,
see.
something more. Has
yes, my lord.
additional affidavit.
Additional affidavit I have to file.
Now I remember, yes.
Yes, my
lord. When is the date?
My lord. Yesterday it was proposal was sent, my lord.
No, when is the date? I think this is something.
There in the year 2018, my lord. 18, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, strict order was also passed, my lord. They are not abiding by those orders, my lord. Last previous orders.
I'll file additional.
We'll file your affidavit and I think we will explore
my lord,
regarding grant of interest.
My lord, that
so
that part I am appreciating, my lord, but wrong SOP that is
as per the notification, my lord, they are entitled to 10 lakhs, my lord. I will show, my lord. In the read petition, I have already.
Let them file.
My lord.
Right. If they reduce it to 5, we'll explore.
My lord.
If you are really entitled for 5, not 10. But if they are keeping it pending.
Yes. Some compensation.
Since 2018. We'll try to offset the gap by granting you interest so that it would go above 10. Right? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Heard Mr. W. Rahman, learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. S. Dr. learned standing counsel, Panchayat and Rural Development Department for the respondent number 1 and 2, finance, no finance, and Mr. J. Hendrik, learned junior government advocate, Assam for the respondent number 4. Mr. Dr. has submitted that he has received the instructions to file the additional affidavit in opposition, and he will file the additional affidavit in opposition within 2 weeks' time.
2 weeks.
Okay. The prayer is accepted. Release the case also.
Only affidavit, my lord. Short date, my lord.
18 September.
No, Mr. Doctor takes time.
Yes. No, I'll definitely.
To file the affidavit. So, to 2 weeks' time.
1809.
Highly obliged.
For orders, item 46.
Madhusudan Kolita.
Yes. Yeah, Lordship. That is the last note, second note she also returned. So I'll find out whether any.
What is your challenge?
That is the
73. Or what?
Yes, 73 is not served.
Submit.
What about respondent number 5?
But that the notice also second time we have third it, but it has returned. So I'll find out this alternative. Any
The petition to obtain necessary
Address is
instruction
here.
regarding correct address.
this address we found from his notarized agreement executed by the respondent.
Taking into consideration of this issue to return and served. All right, Mr. P. Kolita, learned counsel for the petitioner. Who is for Mr. B. Chaudhary, learned standing counsel, finance and taxation department for the rest. Government of Assam for the respondent number 1, 2.
I'm for
Mr.
three.
J. Hendrik, learned junior government advocate Assam for the respondent number 3.
Got it.
You are Mr. Islam. B. Islam. B. Islam for the respondent number 4. First of. A and B of the order dated 27/8/2026. Passed by the Lojima Court, comma. A petitioner shall take precedent for service of notice of the respondent number 5 at his correct and proper address by speed post within a week from today. Post of para. Mr. Hendrik, learned junior government advocate Assam for the respondent number 3 has submitted that after submission of the complaint by the petitioner, comma, submission of the complaints to FIR. The same was registered as Boroma Police Station case number 92/2025 under sections 316 within bracket 5 bracket close stroke 313 within bracket 4 B and SS.
Yes, sir.
The completing investigation into the said case, comma, the IO has already submitted a charge sheet by charge sheet number 06/2026 on 24/2/2026. Poster. What is the grievance here?
Grievance, yes. My grievance is that is the prudently that ITC is created. But the respondent number 4 and 5.
Legal of surgery, recovery proceeding.
And it was that time it was blocked.
Okay.
Now this
Yes, you file your affidavit. The respondents are yet to file their affidavit. You can photocopy. We keep a copy so that.
Lordship, you keep it in the record notes. I have the.
Get a photocopy, you keep it to you.
Lordship, I have the photocopy.
The respondents are to file their counters. Post of 3 weeks time is granted to the respondents to file their respective counters. List the case on service.
5th October,
obliged.
0510. Item 47.
May I please, Lordship? Here the bank account of the petitioner.
1 minute. Mr. Yeah, how are you? Council for petition is present. As per order dated 26/8/2026 of the Lojima Court, service of notice upon the respondent number 1, 2, 4 and 5 is complete. None has appeared for those respondents needed. Mr. J. and Dick, Lion Junior Government Advocate Assam for the respondent number 3 are present. In view of such non-appearance, let the case be listed again in the appropriate column for appearance of the respondent number 1, 2, 4, and 5. Unless they come, your
4 and
relief,
5 already filed.
your relief cannot be
They have
granted.
already filed wakalatnama. For
Who?
bank, my lord, 4 and 5, name is shown in cause list now.
Okay,
4 and 5 has already appeared.
okay, okay. Go to support. Okay. Then
Stop
I
it.
লিখিব complete. এটা লিখিব তেনেহলে the name of the learned counsel for the respondent number 4 and 5 is reflected in the cause list. First of however, none has appeared for the respondent number 4 and 5 today on call. First of let the case be listed in the appropriate column on so and so for appearance of the respondent number 1 and 2 and for filing of counter affidavit by the respondent number 4 and 5. That's all.
18 September, 1809.
Deeply, my lord.